Yeah, that's
Okay.
right.
I can't see much in front of me though. This is like Star Wars. Now we gotta figure out what the unknown tool is.
Oh my gosh,
That's the
what
best part about exploring.
What the frick is that, bro? This. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Fellas, have you ever been afraid of the ocean? Some of you yes, some of you no. Me, I've been to the ocean probably 10 times. I'm not afraid at all. But today we're playing a game that makes that fear come to life. Howdy fellas, my name is Theorfest, welcome to Subnautica 2. And one great thing about Subnautica is to... and one thing that's great about Subnautica is it's my first time playing a Subnautica game, but if you pay attention on the home screen it says, wait, what's that? Multiplayer? Who the frick am I playing this game with?
Yeah, it's me, Terry. You're playing with Terry today.
Alright, Terry, you ready to play some Subnautica 2?
Yeah.
Terry, get out of my seat.
Jacob, bro.
Terry, get out of my seat.
I'm sorry.
Get out. We're playing with Chloe, please. We're playing with Chloe, please.
He's backing up.
Subnautica 2 ain't the only two playing this game. We two people playing this game.
Bro, these UI noises are making me feel frivolous. The flight to the desert world, Zero will last 14 years. It's a one-way trip. When you awaken, your new life begins. This music, I'm feeling very explore like the Discovery Channel. Select Pioneer to print. Oh, character selection. I look the most like Felix out of this loadout. Hello, Felix. Wait, oh my gosh, I can customize. Holy crap, hold on. Everybody just wait a second. I like the red. Oh, that's all you can customize? Alright.
When I'm Erky.
Holy crap.
Body print complete. PDM implant reset to factory settings.
I just hit a little factory reset. Getting out the pod, how do I feel?
Atmospheric pressure above human maximum. Projected lifespan 13 minutes. Adaptation.
13 minutes? Hold on, my mouse just like isn't working. Tab? It's this little tune I'm hearing. Okay, so I'm seeing a bunch of red. I don't think that's very good. Hold on, I'm like currently... Jacob, we're gonna die of oxygen poisoning. Hey, Jacob.
I am a beautiful woman.
What the
This
frick,
game
bro?
Is insane.
Okay, wait, Jacob, Jacob, we're like dying of oxygen right now. How do we get oxygen?
First, they're gonna click on here. They're gonna click boot NOA.
Boot sequence B1 and...
You're the QI.
What's up, Noah?
Your life is my job. My job is your life.
Oh.
Make full introductions, but courtesies must wait.
I think there's like 5 people talking right now. Jacob, where you go?
There's another knowing mode in the life pod
What?
outside. Get me there, and I can get us both to safety.
Okay. I'm gonna download a Noah
You're
image.
burning in slow motion. Under 60 atmospheres of pressure, oxygen becomes a neurotoxin. Nitrogen bubbles saturate your flesh and pry your joints apart. I've opened the door to the adaptation chamber. Your printed body.
Okay, wait. What the frick is going on in here, bro?
What is this, bro? Look, bro. This is like boys' room and this is like girls' room. There's like boys versus girls' room.
What are you talking
Your
about?
body can adapt survival traits from a Zazuran rat.
Hold on, Jacob, we need to head to the new life port.
But I'm hitting the gene donor.
Jacob, I don't give a fart. Follow me. Holy crap, Jacob, are you okay?
No.
Tampering detected. Uncatalogued donor organism in pavilion.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Dude, they're saying words that I didn't even know were in the... Oh, I'm like good now. Alright,
Okay.
see you, loser.
Wait. How are you like sprinting?
Yeah, see you, buddy. Go get the
Oh,
donor,
shoot.
bro. Look, running circles around you. Running circles.
5 exterior conditions. Please proceed to the sampling pavilion to
Dude, I gotta
adapt.
turn this.
What
game
the
down.
frick am I doing?
Found.
I'm just like touching on a whole bunch of stuff.
Alien traits to secure. Sampling.
Adapt alien traits?
Adapting trimethylamine N-oxide
Pressure
synthesis.
tolerance.
Pressure
Oh my
tolerance
gosh.
increased.
Jacob, we're locked. Jacob, we're
Vital
locked.
signs stabilizing. Congratulations. This orb is now your relative.
Let's go.
It's time to
Let's frickin' go,
Subnautica.
bro.
It's time to Subnautica.
Dude, Jake. Oh, shoot. I just pressed that. I don't know if that was a good thing. Is the whole place gonna blow up? Ooh, I probably need that.
Okay,
Jacob, we gotta
where
head
am
to
I
the new
going?
life pod. Yeah, we
Oh,
got
Iceland.
Yo,
Iceland.
holy crap, bro!
Wow, still wakes the deep too.
Jacob, how do you swim?
From the cicada. You must reach the
Bro, this lady's talking in my ear. I can't hear a single thing, bro.
I'm a yogurt male. Oh.
Okay, upload Noetic advisor. This is what this dude was telling. Yeah, the other Noah pod is what he told me to go to. Done, thank you. The sleep bay was extremely confined. Assess mission state.
I
Launch.
can't release the life pod. The clamps have corroded shut. The tyranny of
Holy,
matter.
there's so much stuff
You'll
on my
have to
screen,
swim out
bro.
and release them manually. They're on the back of the pod, outside the passenger window.
All right, Jacob, we got
Find
this.
your breath.
Dude,
Let's do
I
this.
actually like cannot tell if I'm L or W right now.
What? We gotta
Where do we go?
manually release the clamps.
Where's the clamp?
Wait, where the frick are the clamps at, bro? Wait, hold on. Maybe one right here, one right here.
I'm like flick shotting the water.
Is this clamps? Yeah, this is a clamp. That's one. Hold on, Jacob. Here's two. Here's two. Here's two. Okay, wait. My oxygen's run out. Get back in. Get back in.
I got you, bro.
Come on. Jacob, my oxygen's run out.
Wait, where we go? Where we go?
I got you. No, I got you. Let's go. Launch.
Prepare for launch.
Let's go, Jacob. That's how we do this.
Life pod release.
Back to safety we are. What an amazing adventure this has been. Okay.
Oh.
Who's that?
Still wakes the sheep.
Thrusters disabled.
Jacob, this is not looking good at all. This is not looking good at all, bro.
Clearing main thrusters.
Thruster function restored.
Dude, this looks pretty normal to me.
Orientation.
Yo, there's just a bunch of stuff happening, bro.
Collision.
What the frick is going on?
Increasing thrusters.
Bro, we're gonna explode! Yo!
Release fire.
Where'd you go? I'm like on the floor. You're like not here.
I don't know, where'd you go? Yo, I am dead after that. Unknown World presents.
Bro, figure out what world you're in.
PDA, wake up. I'm up. Let's get this money.
Starnav does not recognize the sky.
No, Max,
Where we
you
at?
gotta roleplay.
Titan class biosignature on the horizon.
It does not say that in the sky, bro, but Subnautica 2,
What
let's
an
go.
intro. What an
You
intro.
are not on Caesura, Pioneer.
Is that the planet we were supposed to be on? Jacob, hit a little cowabunga into the water.
Ready?
Wow. Standard air tank. All right, Jacob, I know what we need to do. Remember Satisfactory, how we go and get the bunch of stuff to prepare the bunch of stuff?
Yo,
now we gotta go
this
get a
game's
bunch of
too
stuff to make a bunch of
complicated.
stuff.
This game's too complicated.
Oh, it's freaking not. This game was made
Wait,
for
what do I
babies.
do?
I don't freaking know. Is this supposed to be a tree? Dude, that's gotta be like 1,000,000 meters tall, bro.
Hold on. Why'd you have like an Irish accent when you said meters?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, Max, I think it's time we dive into the coral reef.
Yo, what the frick is that, Jacob? Ew, dude, ew!
This organism filters brine
Wait, she's talking.
drinkable fresh water.
Oh, wait a
This
minute.
may be an adaptation to the seawater's anomalously
Hey.
high viral load.
Hold
that
on.
little
Can I
buddy in
turn can I turn this guy into a water bottle? Be
Wait,
honest.
so is this like, oh,
Dude, Jacob, I just straight up did it. Oh, and I'm drinking! And I'm drinking! Let's go, bro.
Wait.
Jacob, how about we get freaking hashtag turn? Let's find us freaking beer on this island, bro.
yeah, yeah.
Freaking go,
Yo,
bro.
bro, you just like dive in, bro.
Jacob, let's find a whole bunch of stuff. You get that little guy, you make a little water, okay?
I got another little.
Holy
Oh,
crap, bro.
Lord.
What do we got over here, bro? We got this nice little coral reef. Need to get some
Oh
materials.
my gosh, watch out. No, that was freaking mine.
Resistant habitats. Titanium
Jacob, I just got some
is an
titanium.
essential material.
I know, you just freaking took it from me in my face.
That guy looks like a boomerang. What's up, guy?
Oh, W. Wait,
Oh
why
my
am I
gosh, I'm
getting
running out of oxygen.
electrocuted?
Hold on. Jacob, we
Max,
gotta get
jellyfish.
Jacob, you know what we gotta get?
What?
Jacob, we gotta get one of those little motors where we start going off fast, and then we gotta get a oxygen tank.
How do you know? You said you've never played this.
Well, I've like seen people use it before.
Max be like, we gotta get a motor.
Okay, standard air tank. I need to get one more titanium, rubber, and 2 silver. Excuse me.
I'm not getting that, bro. I'm getting
Yo,
this.
scaring the crap out of me, Jacob. Yo, what are you doing?
I did a mega trick with this in my hand. Wait. Inspect.
Yo, stop, Jacob. Wait, Jacob, come to me. Jacob, do you see the like little fish thing right over here?
Little fishes.
Do you see that?
Oh.
We gotta go see what that is, no?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Jacob, on the way, we gotta pick up some mats. We gotta get 999 mats.
Max talking about get some mats, bro.
Yes, bro.
I'm not about to have a build fight. Bro, the ocean is so beautiful, bro. I feel like I'm back in Fruitigo Aeroland 2008.
Fruiterland.
Bluefish.
Wait a minute, bro. That
Noticing
thing's not a fish. That thing's freaking like flying. Wait,
Are
we
you
can't even do
noticing that,
anything
Max?
with it. I'm just getting all these mats, bro. I'm just getting all these mats.
Bro, you see this big dude?
I see a bunch of big dudes.
Max, I'm actually like progressing, bro.
Jacob, we've been in the game for like 10 minutes.
Yes, I don't even
Okay,
know
hold
what
on,
I'm.
hold on.
Max, I'm collecting so many resources, bro.
Jacob, do you have any rubber or silver you can get me?
No, I'm blind.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna ask these crabs where I can find some rubber. Hey, little buzz. Hey, little buzz. We're gonna find some rubber.
We're gonna go upstream and then to the left.
Oh, I appreciate you.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, Max, I'm gonna be real with you. I think I'm about to run out of oxygen and die.
Jacob, go to the surface.
Max, I'm coming back with like infinite materials, bro.
Bro,
I was
dude, we
picking
got.
up, like my inventory was full in like 5 seconds.
Holy crap, Jacob.
hello. Oh, hello.
It's Jacob. Oh, stop, bro. You're scaring the crap out of me,
Bro,
bro.
Max. Watch how quick I like dive down. Ready?
All right, Jacob. No. Now here's where we get a little crafty. Jacob, you could say Jacob's a Minecraft veteran. Okay, wait, Jacob, go in there.
wait.
What can you make? Tell me what you can make.
Dude, everything.
Jacob, make 2?
No, I can't. I can't make it.
That's weird, Jacob.
Okay,
Hold on,
fiber.
I'm gonna go find one of those little guys and make another thing of water.
Max,
What?
we need rot sack. We need rot sack.
That sounds disgusting, bro. I don't even want that.
That's how you make rubber.
Ooh. Dude,
Yes,
I'm just
bro,
like
give me
turning.
that
I'm just
salad.
like. I'm turning like these little guppies into some water.
I don't
when
even
I
know what
drink
this
it.
salad does. Oily fiber salad, 20 plus food. Oh, Max, little hunger bars, bro. Gotta keep them up.
I know. How do we get some stuff to eat?
Oh, Max, abandoned building under the water over here.
Contains dead coral polyps.
Oh yeah, we need
What
to
a
go.
mystery.
Yeah.
May have formed
What a
on or
mystery.
near a coral dome.
Max, we're actually solving mysteries like it's the Mystery Shack. Oh. Okay.
Colony structure
New data bank
located.
enter. Oh shoot.
There may be clues to the
What did you
location
just
of the
say?
main habitat.
Colony center.
New data bake enter. Oxygen tunic. Give me that.
Oh, did you find one? Did you
Give me
find
that.
one?
Yes. Max,
What?
we need a freaking battery. Get up here. Dude, Max, what the frick are we doing, bro?
I don't know, bro. I do need to find a rot sack. Oh, I can make a battery.
Bro, let's go.
All right. I'm making a battery.
Batteries are like pretty easy. Okay, let's go back there.
I have a battery. Hold on. I'm gonna turn my fan on. All right, where do I put this stinking battery in? Do I put it in the?
Come down here, buddy. Not right here. Right in that wall.
Oh my
right
gosh,
there.
scaring the crap out of me.
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Hold on.
right here.
All systems online.
Yeah.
Let's freaking go, bro.
Look, now we have something.
Biolab.
Dash. Oh wait, did I just give us a W upgrade?
Oh no.
Oxygen.
Left shift.
shoot.
Activate.
What'd you just do?
Max, you can. Max, I
What?
think you might have to do it too to get
What?
it.
What'd you
bro,
do?
Bro, come over here. Where are you?
Wait.
Come back to where you put the battery in.
Yeah.
Yeah, come up to here, and then click dash,
Dash.
and then
Yo.
press left shift, bro.
Wait. Install.
Look, it's like a little rewind.
Yo, this is freaking sick, bro.
When you
How
go
did I just get a
forward,
biological
W dash.
upgrade, bro?
Yeah.
Nah, that's ridiculous, bro. Dude, what the frick? That's sick.
Wait, Max, Max, like, what do I look like doing it? Like if you stay right there.
Oh, okay, wait, Jacob. The sun's going down. Are things gonna start getting dicey here in a little minute? All right, Jacob. We gotta make a bed. We can place it down. We can sleep through the night.
Max, we gotta make better plays, bro.
The plays we
The
make are the
other
best
team-
plays you can make, Jacob.
Oh,
Bro,
shoot,
all
I
I'm
got
finding is like
some.
titanium, bro. I need to find rubber.
Bro, I found like it's like oh.
Yo,
Wait.
yo. Oh my gosh. What the frick is killing me? Yo, I did something that was like hurting me. Medical gel
I think
sack.
it's this flower. These orange flowers got like juice.
Jacob, is there like
got-
a locator we can build? No, it's harvesting. Scanner, Jacob. Oh my gosh, we need to make another battery. Jacob.
Wait, where's the scanner?
I'm making a battery. I'm
Where's
making a battery. I'm making a scanner.
Oh!
Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro.
Wait, make one for me too, though.
I don't have enough.
got
I don't have
quartz.
enough. Jacob, do you have a?
We
Do you
need
have
quartz,
quartz?
bro.
You
We
have
need
quartz?
quartz.
Okay, go get some quartz. Hold on.
Where the frick?
Jacob, it's getting scary as frick. It's nighttime out here now,
Oh
bro.
my god, it's beautiful underwater. It's all closed.
Bioluminescence. Can I
like
get a W in the
100
chat for some good
it's like-
bioluminescence?
It's like actually 90% quote me please blue, bro.
This is
I feel
dope.
like Def's made this.
I just like
for me.
kind of can't see though.
I can. Maybe open your eyes, frickin' bruh.
I'm scanning everything, bro.
Oh my gosh, inside. Who just hit me, bro? I didn't like that. Wait, you're right.
Jacob,
I
rot
like
sack!
can't-
Rot sack!
Creates copper concave.
Lucifer rot sack.
Oh, Jacob, I'm getting all the sacks. I'm getting all the sacks. You thought of
is
playing
big.
football the way I
This is
sack. Okay, Jacob, do you know where silver is?
Oh!
Hold on, I'm gonna start scanning a bunch of this bullcrap over here, bro. These are like
I'm
Willy
dead.
Wonka
I'm
flowers.
dead. I'm dead.
Pylon. Oh, and then I can like view the research I do on him. I see.
Max, it's time to survive so the angel comes.
Jacob, what the frick are you talking about? Dude, I'm hearing noises, Jacob. Okay, Jacob, I'm gonna find one more copper. And then I'm making a little like motor,
I
what
just
a
made like
little motor.
I just made like sheep, bro.
All right, copper. Yes. All right, Jacob, I got the materials needed. Okay, wait, Jacob, let me know if you find some silver. I need some silver. Jacob, have you found
my
silver?
God. No, but I found a mega cave.
Dude, these things are like, yo, they're fighting, bro. Jacob, oh, hold on, let him get up.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna
Dude,
die.
they just had a brawl, and then they're like, okay. Oh my gosh, part two, round two, who will win? They went from fighting each other to fighting that rock. That thing must be a threat.
Oh my god, I found another legend area. Bro, it's got
Habitat
be the hentai
builder.
virus.
Habitat builder.
Oxygen.
Bro, Jacob, there's like some noises I'm hearing that it's like scaring the crap out of me, bro.
Yo!
Jacob, what? Jacob, what?
Big
What?
guy. But bro, actually SpongeBob Big Guy Pants okay over here.
Wait, I'm gonna go see. Yo, what the frick is that? Evil crabs, bro.
Wait, do
That
you
dude's
see
like,
him?
he's at the bottom, right?
Yes, giant crab, big legend.
What the frick?
Alright, I'm getting him. Why am I twiddling my thumbs?
Wake maker fragment.
Max,
I gotta find a whole bunch of fragments, bro.
What if I smack him?
That dude is going beast mode down there. All the school's official like, Oh, he farted out a little bubble. Oxygen tunic.
Supervisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Wait, does he like
I found
blow
more cords.
oxygen bubbles? Wait, hold on. Yo, that's sick. Jacob, you can get underwater oxygen refills if you find a little guy that's blue and purple.
Yes, bro. I found that like 5 minutes in, freaking bruh.
Is this silver? Is this silver? What is this?
Oh, I was actually
Yes,
like,
yes!
from death
Jacob, I
there.
found
That's
silver.
actually dope.
I found silver.
With silver and gold.
Ah, Jacob, to get the silver, hold on, can I ping that somehow? Jacob, to get the silver, we gotta build like a silver extraction tool.
Okay, well I have a scanner and you freaking don't.
I have a scanner. Okay, wait, Jacob, I'm about to build this little like resource miner, if I can build it.
Yo, how do you just like do this stuff, bro?
What do you mean?
I'm like going around, I can't figure it out.
I'm kind of just doing stuff. Bro, I'm trying to
Oh,
figure out,
big
bro, I
quartz.
swear, where did I see where I could build the resource miner? That's what I'm trying to build.
I don't know what a resource miner is. I don't know where
Well,
you
I
really
mean, I
got
can't
that.
get any silver until I build it.
Building a processor and a power supply will unlock
Habitat
new
builder.
fabricator recipes.
We can now, I'm pretty sure we can build like a house now.
A
W
habitat
house.
is the next step on your mission.
Some nada house.
Standalone
Oh,
habitat? Oh shoot, bro. Jacob, are we gonna get a little buildy? Survival, Jacob, can you mine stuff with the survival multi-tool? Oh my gosh, that is what it is. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot.
Wait, what? You
It was the
thought-
survival
that's what you were-
multi-tool. I thought there was like a one beyond that, cause oh my gosh. I'm such an idiot, bro. Now it's time to get some stinking silver, and we're about to boss up, bro. oh my gosh, I can already imagine it. Traveling at light speeds through the ocean. All the fish are gonna be looking at me like, holy crap, that man's fast. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready. Jacob, are you ready?
No.
Let's go.
I don't know what I'm supposed to be ready for, bro. I've just been like exploring little.
Jacob, I might be the
bro.
stupidest human on the planet. It says requires unknown tool. Yeah, thanks. That helps a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start sticking freaking candles. All right.
Well, then how are you the stupid one if they're the ones being stupid?
I don't know. I don't know how I figure out how to mine this stuff, bro. I just need silver really bad. Do I need to find smaller traces of silver? Maybe that's what I need to
Wait.
do.
Why'd I find like the mysterious green berry?
Jacob, you gotta help me find some silver.
Bro, Max, I was looking like everywhere, bro. I explored like 14 buildings.
I actually think you definitely need to build that tool to get silver. It's just like, oh
Dude,
man,
I
I just wish I
bro,
knew what tool it was.
I actually found like evil seeds, bro.
Jacob, what are you talking about?
Maybe we should build the habitat building then.
Okay,
Come
yeah,
back
let's
here
just build the
to get-
habitat since we can do that right now. All right, how do I make some glass? So I need to find one more quartz. All right, I'm gonna just punch myself in the balls. I think, oh my gosh, I think I just sniped some quartz. Dude, what a freaking snipe, bro. What a snipe. Okay, Jacob, come back. All right, Jacob, I'm making glass. Boing. All right, Jacob, I got the glass. What do you need the glass for?
Just drop it in me and I'll do the rest. All right, make this. All right, Max. See what you can do with that, baby. Here. Here, see what you can do with this. How do I drop?
Habitat
You can do with
builder.
that.
You have
Oh,
taken a major
boy.
step towards
Look at that
zero
inspect.
debt today. As a platform for systems like the processor and scanner station, a habitat is a vital investment in your future. A habitat can also be an emotional anchor.
Emotional
Proof
anchor.
that you've built something to last. Remember, it's easier to replace a body than a base.
What does she mean by that? She said it's easier to replace a body than a base. Jacob, don't go dying on me now. Okay, wait, hold on. Enter construct mode Q. Okay, I didn't see any changes. Shrink mode. Well, I get tiny.
Yes, do it.
Open menu. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Must be attached to a room or corridor. Okay, wait. How do I create a corridor?
Wait, so can we like extendo mode?
Jacob, oh my gosh.
What?
Yeah, Jacob, where do you want to build this house, Jacob? Where do we want to get buildy?
Right frickin' under here, bruh.
Right over here? Okay. All right, move. Hold on. Build the corridor. Boom. Look at it.
Oh!
All right, wait. Do I need to like supply it now? It says we need 2 titanium. Hold on. Jacob, let's get some stinking titanium.
Wait. I have like so much.
Put some titanium on that bad boy. See what he goes.
How much? 2?
2. You just need 2.
I don't know if I can.
Give it to me,
I
give it to
might
me.
need the tool.
Give it to me.
All right, buddy, here you go.
Okay, wait. 2 titanium.
All right, make it
Construct.
happen.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah, make it happen.
Bingo, baby.
Wait, how do we get in?
All right, Jacob, I don't know. I gotta make an opening, I think. How much does that cost? Give me one more titanium. Uno.
I've got so much titanium. Good
Oh
thing
my
I've been, like,
gosh,
picking up
we're just
all of
getting
it, bro.
so buildy.
I'm actually
we're
a
just
W.
getting
Hold
so
on, Max.
buildy,
Do you
bro.
have like a lot of room in your inventory?
No.
And then check this out for me.
What's up? Jacob, chill. Oh my gosh, Jacob. Let's go, bro. Construction happening now. Right there. Come on, bro. Let's go, Jacob. I'm feeling. Go in there, boy. Go in there, boy.
Welcome aboard.
Wait, still losing oxygen.
Okay, we're definitely gonna need to like.
Oxygen production offline.
Yeah. We need to
Okay.
make some oxygen. That's what we need to do.
We need to become better people.
Jacob, we got our own little stinking habitat in here, dude. Wait, Jacob, where did you do that thing where you could eat food?
What?
Where did you do that thing where you could eat food?
Oh, it's like the evil bubble flower. Wait, I'm like right by it, I think. Actually, this might be like another one.
Wait, I
Come to
gotta
me.
do that because I gotta be able to eat food. I'm
Yeah,
coming.
this is the evil bubble flower that I already used. So you gotta come. to
Oh
this.
shoot, I didn't even, yeah. I saw this thing earlier and I was like, this looks dangerous.
No, Max, this was the thing. You remember at the beginning where we touched it and it like made us walk fast?
Oh shoot, you're right.
It's the same kind of thing. So I think we gotta go up to these if we find them, get W power ups, and then continue like nothing.
Oh wait, Anita's
like we
talking to
don't
me.
know
This is
nobody.
my body.
The meat?
No, Anita.
Oh.
Enabling enzymes
Ah.
to restart cloning.
Jacob, all right, ready? Here's my prediction. We play
Okay.
through the game. We slowly turn into the aliens so we can survive on this planet.
Nope.
Gosh, that's like such a level 0 theory. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, wait, Jacob. Should we get even more buildy? Should I build more stuff onto this freaking sucker?
No, I think you should quit.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, Jacob. Our entrance is gonna be too wide. All right, then once you walk in, you're gonna take a left. And then it's gonna be right there.
Well, this game loves telling me that I'm about to die, bro. Like I know.
Then that's just gonna be the whole house.
Welcome aboard.
Wow.
Bro, W house, bro. Can we get like a TV?
Oh, I
going?
can construct it from the inside too. That's pretty sweet. How do I build a
Dude, I just don't understand progression in this game.
I think we just gotta keep doing stuff.
It's just like find stuff and it happens.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
just found some silver.
do a habitat beacon. No, try and mine it though. You can't.
Wait, I did though.
You mined it?
Yeah.
How the freak, bro? I guess I'm just the worst, bro. How'd you do that?
I have 4.
Bro, bring that crap to me right now.
Oh, sorry, bro.
How did you
Give me
do
like
that?
Give me like 4 days and I'll be over to you. I don't know. I just smacked it with my tool.
Am I built for these
I
games,
got it,
everybody?
though.
Am I built for these games? Bro, Jacob, our base, dude, Jacob, I think this is the best base anybody has ever built, bro. It's just so, just look at it, bro. It's a little left turn, or right turn.
When it curves right.
Oh my gosh, standard air tank, and we're building, and we're building, and we're building. Okay, wait, holds breathing air, standard all environment respiratory design. How long can I breathe now?
5 minutes.
Dude, I can actually breathe.
Wait. I gave you all that silver and you just made some for yourself.
Wait, no, I still get, hold on, Jacob. You need 2 silver. There you go. You need 2 silver to make it. Let me know if you, hold
I
on.
don't have rubber.
You don't have rubber? Yeah, I have rubber. Boing! Welcome to the game.
Okay, you gave me 1 silver.
No, I didn't. Look right here, bro!
Oh, sorry.
Load that sucker up.
I was
Oh,
like, nah,
Jacob!
give me that silver so I can make myself stuff.
Okay, wait, then you know what I need to make for myself as well? Wait, how do I make fiber? Who the frick is making fiber? Okay, I need to find a fibrous pulp. Hold on. I'm gonna make myself flippers so I can get a little... Wait. Start moving frickin' fast through these regions.
What do you need for flippies?
Fibrous pulp to create fiber and then rubber. Oh my gosh, I just stepped into the fart zone, bro. I'm Coyote Peterson, we just stepped in the stink zone, bro. Bro,
That's
where
why
did
I
I
just
find that
smacked one of you.
fibrous pulp before, bro?
I don't know, bro. You just like pick things up when you're hungry.
What is this? Sonic Resonator? I'm finding a new thing every 30
Sonic?
seconds. Ew! I'm not going down there, bro. How does this
Okay,
work?
wait, so what are you trying to make? What are you trying to
I'm
make?
trying to make fiber. Fiber.
Where the frick is that?
In the basic materials. Because that's how you create a flapper. You need 2 fibers.
Oh!
How did you do? What the frick, Jacob? How did you find that? And then you make 2 rubbers. Jacob, I swear, bro. All right, go ahead. No, go ahead. Make it. Go ahead and make it for yourself. Go ahead and go super freaking fast.
I got him.
Jacob, how did you freaking make fiber? Jacob, you're not even like trying to make stuff. You just have it.
No, I did find it. You gotta find the mysterious orange flowers, bro.
What the frick are those? Mysterious orange flowers. Jacob, just punch me in the neck at this point and tell me I'm dreaming.
Where are you? Where are you?
Look behind you, bro.
Come here. Look, you see these guys?
Yeah?
Look, so the middle is the stuff for the rubber, and the outside is the stuff for the funny money.
Oh, get off, bro.
See, you are just blind as frick.
Get
bro.
off, bro.
You
What
are
a
frickin' evil as
Fiber is
frick.
closer to vinyl or latex than cellulose.
You are actually slow, bro. Slow,
What
bro?
a, dude, check pill
Slow
off,
bros.
bro. I'm such a
Max,
pillar,
I just
bro.
helped you out, bro.
Thank you.
Don't even frick me.
No, I'm getting mad at the game, bro. I didn't even know you could double it up and give it back to yourself on the same plant.
What the frick are you talking about?
Bro, you could get 1 thing and then you could get 2 things.
Double it and give it to the next person. Give it to the next person.
And then I gotta go over there and freaking harvest
double
the
it and
Johnnies
give-
off the little guy, bro. This game's
What
taking
the
me
frick
off.
are you talking about? Harvest the Johnnies?
Jacob, you're over here finding materials
dude,
on accident, bro.
Mr. Beast is definitely filming a Subnautica 2 challenge right now. Like, beat the game in 5 seconds.
Subnautica 2, but can you turn yourself into a bacon cheddar sandwich? Be Subnautica 2, if you don't beat it, I kill you.
Dude, I need Mr. Beast to make, like, real-life Squid Game, but, like, people
Let's,
actually
no,
die.
Jacob, let's see if the flappers were even worth all the tusk. Okay, these are bad.
They're not
These
that
are
crazy. I'm
freaking
not gonna lie.
crap! I mean, I could definitely see some increase in my momentum velocicular angles. Okay, now the real question is,
Aboard.
how
Evil
the heck
clouds of
do I
storm.
make a little oxygen guy?
Okay, but, like, what do we do now?
Dude, I've been literally the entire time I've been playing this game.
What the frick is a chap?
What?
Bro, click on the thing to the left of the crafting thing, and the top thing just says chap. Right here,
Oh,
click
chap!
the orb.
What? What's this chap doing, bro?
Wait,
What?
Max, there's like new thing on the map. You see that? Black
Wait,
Box
what is
Quaker?
that? Let's go check it
I
out.
don't know. Hold on. Let me put a ton of stuff away really quick. Hold on, though. I gotta make a water bottle.
Jacob Boy's talking about someone gotta make a water bottle.
I can't even make water bottles around this dude. Had to teach this dude how to make a flipper, by the way.
Teach me? You're being bold.
You didn't know where you got him.
Dude,
Max, I'm
ew.
like genuinely.
Death of coral.
Max, I'm like genuinely gonna sick
Plateau
Lucy on you,
this
bro.
region once housed tens of billions of living
I'd be like
things.
Lucy sick.
Oh! Oh my gosh, bro.
Max, can you just wait for me, bro? Like
Yeah.
bro. Like frick.
Dude,
Really?
I didn't even know you could.
Detected.
Yo, this guy's beating the crap out of me, Jacob.
Attacking predators.
Hold on, this kid's gonna get killed. Yeah, charge me again, see what happens.
Whoa, dude, be nice to him. Wait, 30 seconds of what? Did it just say 30 seconds for you?
No, I was too busy fighting this guy.
Oh, I think it was talking about my oxygen.
I'll turn you into a memory in the ocean, little boy. Jacob, where the
All right,
frick
I'm
are
diving
you?
down. I'm diving down. I'm there.
Are you kidding me? You said wait for me and then didn't meet up with me.
All right, you ready, bro? Let's do it.
All right, Jacob, yeah, just don't wait for me at all.
Detected. It is
I'm
silent.
missed.
literally still here.
Is there oxygen in here?
I don't know, but there's something in that building, bro.
Bro,
You gotta
I'm
figure it
hearing
out.
like fish.
Oh wait,
for-
entrance.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Wait, entrance, no access.
How do we get in?
I don't know.
This game's scaring the
Jared.
crap out of me.
Found my way in. You're freaking bro.
What?
Bro, you are actually incompetent, bro.
I found another entrance.
Oxygen byproducts detected. Fire
Wait,
is
wait,
a
wait.
critical risk
I
in
activated it. We need to go to the next
oxygen-rich
one.
Yeah, see? Watch, come to my one and you'll realize what a real man is.
I literally found it, and you couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, but did you find this?
Bro, what the frick are you talking about?
If one of my species
Shush,
There was
finds
only
lore,
one.
shush,
it,
lore.
You may be the very last human being in the universe.
Two.
You
There's
get to write
frickin'
the last
two.
chapter of our story. I ask you to do the most human thing you can.
Burp.
Forget your debt. Forget Noah. Forget Altera. Forget Zazora and the life you imagined. It's all gone now. You're going to die here. Pick the most interesting thing you can see and explore.
What we've been doing for an hour and 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's Max. That's why I just crafted up 2 water bottles, and you're not even getting one of them.
No. See how much I don't care?
Yeah, see how far away you are? 276, and I'm going to the new Black Box Quaker, bro.
Where's that at?
I'm going to Chap.
Oh,
What
yeah,
do
you're
you
going to
mean,
chat?
Where's that at? Were you not paying attention this whole time?
No, Jake, because I was at the other one trying to find Brick way in.
Oh my god. Why were you trying to find your way in? I said I activated it and we could leave.
There might be goodies in there.
You are going to be absolutely obliterated in 5 hours.
Jacob, I'm gonna
You
punch you so
literally
hard
have
you're gonna
5
forget your
hours.
first name.
Jacob, maybe do you want to wait for me, like, at all?
This is so. I asked you to come with.
What the frick is what are we listening to, bro?
He's freaking dying, bro. Inventory expanded.
Wait, how'd you do that?
Dude, I'm actually doing everything for everyone.
How did you
bro.
do that?
I went in there and I activated the stuff. I don't know. I was just clicking
Oh
stuff.
my gosh. Anything
Yo,
but
Max,
waiting for your
Max,
friend,
Max.
bro.
Actually incompetent. Actually
No, Jacob,
incompetent, bro.
Jacob, you get there
No,
and then what you
no,
go is, Max, I'm gonna
genuine-
wait for you before I press the sinking
Max,
button, Jacob.
Max.
Jacob,
Max,
I'm gonna
I
rip you in
said-
half.
I said at the last thing, I said, we can leave. I activated it. And you willingly decided to stay there for 5 more minutes.
You could have said,
Trying to
Max,
get
why aren't
it
you
for
coming?
nothing.
Max, why aren't you coming?
No, that's good, bro. I'm just making all the progress. Teach you how to make the flipper.
I can't, bro.
Teach you
This
how to go to the
upbeat
black
music
box.
is like, this is a friendship moment. No, this is an enemies
I'm actually
moment,
doing
bro.
everything. I'm actually doing everything here, and I can't stand it anymore.
Dude, our base is just laughably bad, bro. We need to fix it.
Max. You're the one who asked for the buildy tool. You get on that, bro. Goodness, bro. Got to baby everyone around here.
Baby, everyone know why I hear the birds. All right. We're gonna put this right frickin' there. Welcome to the crew, buddy boy. Sun right over there. Get power in.
Power connected.
Holy crap. Oxygen production valid?
Welcome aboard.
Let's go, dude. Jacob, we've been playing this game for like an hour and 30 minutes. What the frick are we doing, bro? What are we looking for out here?
Bro, it's just the same thing, bro. We go down, we get like
we probably,
silver,
bro, we gotta get like some help,
it's
bro. We gotta like, you
bro,
think there's like a
bro,
tutorial we
I
could?
got like no.
Yo,
What? Who is that?
yo, who's that, bro?
Who is that?
Is that, wait, is that an angel? Is that an angel? Oh my gosh, it's Eddie.
Oh my gosh, it's Eddie.
So guys, since
Subnautica.
me and
Mr.
Jacob have no
Subnautica.
idea what we're doing, we have an individual here who knows exactly what they're doing.
Hello.
So,
I'm
adding
Eddie,
bro.
Eddie, your professional analysis of our base, rate our base 1 out of 10.
All right, let me see. Let me get a look at this.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
It's really good.
I'm telling you, bro, clean
This
and
is actually.
class.
I might have to build this in my own world. I actually might have to
I'm
go.
telling you,
I might
bro.
have to get the blueprint for this.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
bro. Dude, it
Wow,
kills
this
me.
power supply is actually really good too. Wow.
I'm telling you, bro. It keeps going all day, all night.
Yeah, this is wow. Wait, hold on. All right.
Now, Eddie,
All right, we're about to get this show on the
Eddie
road.
was giving me some secret
What?
tips, and apparently we need to get these little things called what they call like wave riders.
a wake maker.
I
Wake
did want
maker.
to tell you guys though.
tomato, tomato.
I
bro.
do want to tell all the viewers though that Eddie does not know how to dash, and me and Max do. Just
No, yeah,
throwing
we
that
got
out
Dash.
there.
Eddie doesn't have that crap.
When your boy dashed. All right, so we gotta go around. We gotta find one more piece of the wake maker. I think that's what it's called.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll be able to
Frick
swim
is
really
that?
fast. When you and your boy swim really fast. Those who know. Those who swim
Those
fast.
those who
Well,
use
where do you
those who use
find the piece
flippers.
of the wake maker?
We gotta go to like the scraps everywhere.
The little boxes. Yeah.
Jacob, do you have a
So we
scanner?
just gotta like swim around.
the little boxes.
I found it.
Flippers, bro.
I found it. I found
No
it. I
way.
found the last piece.
No way.
I found the last piece.
Let's go.
All right. Everyone go back to the base right now. Go back
Okay,
to
okay,
life.
I'm
Let's
coming,
have a
I'm
little
coming.
gathering.
Oh
Let's have
no,
a little
I'm a little bit of ways out. I'm a little bit ways out.
Ow!
Wait, I gotta put on like this like beautiful character. Give me 1 second, bro.
No,
Bro,
I have
holy
it. No,
crap.
I
No,
have
look
it.
how, like,
No,
majestic I look
no,
at this
I have
Jazz's
it.
character.
I have it. No, I have it. I have it.
No. Oh, dude,
turn it
dude,
off.
Jacob, your character is like actually beautiful though.
Yeah, you got like a crazy jawline
When
going.
Burst majestic. All right, look, everyone go in the fabricator. Look. So hit personal, and then do you see?
Yeah.
Do
Wake
you see
maker.
like the wake? Yeah. Do you see
I need
that?
grease
We're
and a
gonna need-
battery.
Oh yeah, we're gonna. Wait, you already have the silver and everything?
Yeah.
You
Wait,
can go to resources. You can make the grease right now. We have it.
Wait,
Wait. Oh, I need to do it in my
made the-
base though. Yeah, I need to do it in the base.
Yeah. Go in the base.
I
So
made
Max
it.
can make it right now.
I already made it.
Oh, you guys both made it. So
Holy
I'm the-
crap.
Wait,
What does it do?
Wait, Jacob, come here. Jacob, you gotta walk around in the base with it. Come here. Max gotta see how funny this looks. Max, look at Jacob.
Space Maker.
It looks so stupid.
Hold on. Do I got it on? Hold on. How do I put it on?
Wrist, elbows,
Put it in your like hotbar,
shoulders during
and then.
Oh,
click the
hold on.
button.
I gotta take stuff out of my hotbar. Bro, it's like a sick equip animation, bro. It's like an Overwatch, like
Bro, Max,
Diva, like nerf this, bro.
Max. So,
So now, Eddie Loki wants to get like a little like equipped up, so I kind of need one too. So we're gonna try to get some silver. We're
Okay,
gonna
dude,
go-
I know where
Wow,
I know where
really?
the silver is, bro. What? Why am I like
What?
moving? I'm like moving.
Bro, I'm telling you, you got the movement now, bro. Eddie joins for like 5 minutes, and you're already moving faster. Maxwell, come here. Everyone, come
Whoa,
here.
whoa, whoa.
Come to the
No.
life pod. Now, Jacob.
What are we doing at the pod?
Well, Jacob was telling me something. He was asking me about this tree, and I think we should go investigate the tree. I think that would be really
The tree?
good to do.
where's the
yeah,
Banyans?
yeah. Well, Jacob was asking questions about the tree. I think we should go check it out.
Can you,
right now.
you can't,
use
you,
my
bro.
base?
You can't even get to this gosh darn tree, bro. $100 says you can't even get
Okay,
to the
well-
tree.
Eddie's gonna take us. I'm a little slow, guys.
Should I use my pacemaker?
Hold on, I just
Yes.
like robbed somebody's kid, bro.
Max, take my silver to Eddie.
Okay. Yo, Jacob, you're like pooping it all out.
Oh my gosh, you guys have a lot. Wait,
Dude,
oh,
I'm telling you, Eddie, me and Jacob were getting like resourceful, bro.
This thing is mad at me. Oh, I'm getting hit by fish now, and I'm drowning. Wait,
Wait,
you
I
guys
found
are
a
leaving.
Jenny pod. I found a Jenny
Wait, Jacob,
pod.
stop going up without us.
Wait, but I found a Jenny pod.
Oh my.
Eddie, what was the
Oh,
name
no.
of the ship from the first game? Wasn't it called like the Supernova?
The Aurora.
Okay.
Yeah, the supernova.
Where
we're
the
gonna
frick
need
are we
Max to
going?
guide us to the
We're
tree.
going
to the
You were talking about the tree. You want to see the tree, Max?
I
come
want
up
to see.
here.
I want to see the tree, bro. I want to see the gosh darn tree.
We'll be there real soon.
Eddie, it's like
Eddie, is
get
this
to
a
us.
whole bit
Eddie?
of us just going to the thing that?
Eddie, it's kind of scary over here. It's like it like goes down for a long time, Eddie.
Life pod at your convenience.
It's a part of the tree. You guys are a lot faster than Eddie.
Whoa, what the frick is that, bro?
Is being developed while in early access.
Oh,
Wait, what?
explore at your
Oh.
own risk.
Oh.
Eddie, Eddie, are we supposed to be over here?
Is that is that like it of the tree then? Like, can we not go to the tree? I was able to go to the tree.
Holy crap, Eddie, Eddie, Eddie. Yo, why is there like 3 of them, bro? There's like 3 of them, bro. Yo,
Yo, why is he all above me, bro? Wait, how is Jacob so far out?
Jacob kept going.
It just didn't care about Jacob. What? Jacob, you can't get to
Jacob,
the tree.
turn
I was
around.
messing with you.
Jacob, turn around.
No, enough of the tree, Jacob.
I'm going to this tree.
Jacob.
Are you still going?
Bro, it kills me. Where did they
Yeah.
go, bro?
They're going to class.
What happened?
Jacob, bro, you're just getting farther, bro.
All right, well, I'm gonna let Jacob go to the tree.
No, I'm coming back.
Keep
I'm
going to
coming
the tree,
back,
Jacob.
but
Good
what-
luck, bro.
You guys were like screaming. Like, what happened? Was there like
I
a
got like
monster?
really excited.
No,
I just got really excited to go to the
Jacob,
tree.
I got like a thing on my screen that says like you won money. I started screaming because I won some dollars.
actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, was there one of the Leviathans? Is that what was going
No,
on?
no, I didn't. What
Nah.
Leviathan? What's a Leviathan?
All right. Okay, so what the frick do we do now?
All right, now.
No. Eddie's like, all right, that was it. You can end the recording. Oh my gosh, Eddie, watch out! Eddie, watch out! Bro, I'm just like stealing fish. I feel horrible.
I don't.
You're a terrible person.
I feel happy.
You know that?
W3Fest in the comments.
All right, hold on. When I get like this copper going, then we'll be able to like.
Eddie, I have 3 copper.
All right, Maxwell, that would have been really good to say.
I
to
know,
me,
but I
like, a few
just got
minutes
it though.
ago.
That's the thing.
Oh, did you?
Max is the
Yeah.
stupidest
Come
person
here,
that
come
I
here.
know.
Come here. Behind you.
All right, do you want to go back to the tree? Yeah. All right, let's go back to the tree then. All right, let me grab.
Yo, there's like
I'll go back
a there's
to
like
the
a
tree.
flashlight, bro.
Your bro got a flashlight.
Bro, I'm trying to find these
Alright.
acidic little jellies, bro, because I need it.
Yo, do you want your
Under
dash,
us.
Eddie?
They're under us. Come here, Max.
Oh wait, no, I
Eddie,
found
do you want your
acidic
dash?
jelly.
Yeah, I want dashing.
Hey, come here.
Seek fresh
Wait, I'm
it's
following
over
Jacob
to
to
you.
get my dash. Jacob, you should be using your thingy all the time. All right, Jacob, let me hear you be dashy.
What up? It's Dashy, and today we're playing some Nautica, Erotica, Statica, Fodica.
All right, what about
We
instead
gonna
of
be
Dashy, his name was
we
Eddie.
gonna be moving from the Leviathan like this.
We're gonna be swimming like this.
Yeah. If
Okay.
you had.
All right, everyone, report back to the ship. Jacob, please. This is serious.
Eddie, I'm here for you. I'm sorry.
Wait. Report back to the ship or the base.
Oh no, Max! Please don't say ship. We know what happens when you say that.
Sorry.
Please don't say that, Max.
convenience.
Jacob, get inside right now.
I hate that this isn't
Medical
like
gel
Minecraft, where I
sack.
can't stack items.
Oh, now I can make the battery. Frick off with this game. Eddie, are there things that you just need to like wait for a minute and then you get something?
What?
All right.
Holy crap, Eddie, you're actually
Wait.
useless.
What did Max just ask you? Do you have to wait
I
till
don't
you
know.
get something?
No.
Like, how am I supposed to answer that? I don't
Like there's
know.
an item I got. I went to the crafting table and it wouldn't let me make it. I wait 10 minutes and suddenly I can make it? What?
What item?
This
You don't have your thing in your hand. You're just standing there. For
No, the batteries, bro. For this.
Bro, Max,
You
batteries.
can always
Bro,
make
Max,
batteries, Max.
Max,
I
wanna let you
wasn't
know right
able
now,
to.
They're right there.
No,
You can
I
make them.
It didn't
raise your
let
voice at
him.
me.
He's saying it literally didn't let him.
Acidic rayon pouch. I could have found a million of these little girls, but it wouldn't show up in my inventory.
Bro, I
You
have.
they're here.
Where?
Bro,
Look.
bro.
You come down here. Shut up, Jacob. You come down here. You go here. You see this? Where are you? You see this purple thing? You take your knife and you hit it. There you go.
Holy
Now you have it.
moly, bro.
Now you have it.
haven't done that, Max. Yo,
That's
Max,
just on you.
dude, Max.
No,
you're
no,
actually
Eddie,
brick
Eddie,
central.
just so you guys know,
What?
Eddie recommended this game to me. He's like, Max, you should totally play this. I think everybody would enjoy it. I'm having the worst time of my life, bro.
Max,
Because
when
I
it comes
just...
to a survival game and it's not
Eddie,
linear,
Eddie,
oh, I don't know how to
Eddie,
play it. I
Eddie,
don't know.
No. I don't even want to hear it, bro. No. Come here.
We need more
Ready?
people like
I'm gonna show you
Jake
something.
Paul.
I'm gonna show you something. Ready? This is how it feels playing with you, bro. Come here. Eddie be like, no, you gotta walk up to this and press 34 on your keyboard, then press Y, and then you get an item, bro.
Okay, let me try it.
Click on the big flower.
All right, follow Eddie. We're gonna go to Wander. We're gonna go have a fun time.
Hold on, I need to
Wander over
like
yonder?
hop swatch out my batteries.
Max needs to swap out his batteries. Go like walk
Where,
his dogs.
Eddie?
Like,
Where
open the
are
door
we
'cause
going?
his room
What
is hot.
direction?
We're gonna go to Wander.
Wander over
I gotta
yonder.
make water.
No, Eddie's gotta go make water. He's gotta get like more copper.
Max, you'd like don't know what you're doing and you don't have fun.
Eddie, you said when you
Bro
played this
doesn't
game,
have
you're like, no, ready? I'm gonna say something directly from Eddie's mouth. He said, Max, I don't know if this game's gonna be for you. It's freaking not! I feel like a 4-year-old played this game, bro.
I didn't say that. Well, you're just stupid. You don't know how to play like video
Alright,
games.
fine, that's on me then, bro. Let's continue. Let's swim.
All right, Max. So I'm gonna have you lead us over there. Do you see like the little ping on
No,
your map?
I'm leading. No,
I
I'm
don't
leading.
see. How do I check my map?
Yo, Max,
Oh
you're
my gosh,
freaking blind.
Max,
You're
you
blind.
are an idiot. You make me want to say bad words in a video that I can't say bad words in. You know that?
Oh.
They never tell you how to do math. I'm pissing.
no.
You mean the thing when I look directly down that's just under me the whole time?
Scary. Oh, careful. There's the scary sack under us, and we can't venture down yet.
How do we get rid of the
what do we do
scary
then?
sack?
You're gonna need the Sonic thingy. Sonic and his friends. But that's not where we have to go right now.
What, Eddie? Where do we have to go?
To the ping on the map. You see it? The black box.
Yeah, but isn't that under?
Isn't
the
that
little
under the
gate?
little guy?
So I see. Yeah, we're gonna have to look into this one.
Holy
look for
crap!
another
And
entrance.
you've been on my bollocks all day, bro.
When you and your boys have to look for another entrance.
And he's like, you gotta explore. And then once we achieve the thing we explored for, he's like, okay, we gotta explore.
No, literally.
Me when I
Literally,
play an
right, and he's like,
exploration
all right,
game
you
and I
gotta
gotta go
explore to
explore.
find this thing so that you can explore to find this thing so that you can further explore to find this thing.
Okay, Jacob, where are you? Follow me. Jacob.
I'm at the life pod.
No, yeah, go all the way back to the life
I'm gonna pee.
When
I'm
did
gonna
I
pee
say
on
go
all
back to the
servers.
life pod?
Oh,
I didn't
Jacob's
say
an
that you
idiot.
said that. But I
Eddie,
said
go.
you said
Eddie, it's steep
explore.
down here, Eddie.
Eddie, are we just gonna dive down and it's gonna be like Sonic Explore?
I'm diving in too deep.
There's
Are
no
you
way
gonna,
that's the
like,
way that
answer
works.
Or no, like what?
You gotta find the machine for it.
What the frick is the machine?
The thing to actually do it.
Eddie, you're speaking in it. You know what
Oh
language
my
you're
gosh,
speaking in?
you
You're
guys
speaking
don't know
in,
how to play video games.
Eddie, you're speaking in searching for a world that doesn't exist language.
I'm just not.
Bro, Eddie, you gotta be more specific than the machine. It's like you're telling it like it's like a fairy tale. What is the machine?
It is.
Whoa, what is this?
Whoa.
The Angel Funny?
Oh, I found a piece of the ship.
4 monitors!
I found a piece of the ship.
Oh
You
my
did?
god, really?
Oh yeah.
Load.
What?
There we go. Fritz freaking get it, bro. Eddie, I was
I'ma
swimming
say it.
around. I was swimming around with my freaking wave trotter with no batteries in it.
Okay, you're just an idiot.
I'm
Nice to be
just
like, yeah,
happy
no,
I
I can't like look at an orb, pick it up on the wall, and put it in the crafter, and be like, use my brain. Welcome, Jacob. You missed the entrance. Oh no, you didn't.
What do you mean?
Welcome to there you go.
Wait, this
Good
is
job,
the
guys.
thing that I've done like 4 times, bro.
Yeah, there's
I
multiple
found like
around.
900 of like what is
No, you
Wait,
didn't.
rebreather? What is this?
I already scanned it.
Okay.
So with
Wait,
that,
so when you scan something, does it scan for all of us?
so look,
No.
yeah, it does.
Okay.
Oh.
Some things need multiple times to be scanned. So like sometimes you
When
just
was
scan
the
it,
game
like,
gonna tell me that?
It's on your scanner. Maybe if you have like eyeballs and you use them, you can like actually see it. That's like the best part
Unbelievable,
about Subnautica.
Unbelievable.
When you have eyeballs and you look around, something here that he wants to grab.
Try to swear. I can swear fine.
Yeah, no swearing.
Yo,
on
don't, no
your
swearing, no
face.
swearing, no swearing, no swearing on
Please, no
Twitch
swearing.
Procedure channel.
Oxygen efficiency
Yo,
decreased.
Eddie, what is this? Ew!
What? I
This
don't know what
big
grabs it.
clam.
Oh, I don't know.
Portable oxygen generator. That sounds pretty cool. Oxygen generator? I can't read it all. Scan lithium? Lithium ion batteries. I'm like scared to go in here. Okay, I'm in here.
Oh, pick up the lithium.
I can't. Requires unknown tool.
Oh yeah.
It's too big. Yeah, it's too big. It's too big.
Now we gotta figure out what the unknown tool is.
Oh my gosh,
That's the
what
best
the
part about
frick?
exploring.
What the frick is that, bro? This. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's gonna be okay. Wait, are we going to the Angel
What
Comb?
the frick, bro? I didn't know that was closing in on me. That scared the crap out of me.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Are you sure?
That just scared the crap out of me, bro. Oh my gosh. Eddie, did you find this bit when you played? Did you find the big clam? Dude, I just went inside of it, started closing in on me. Oh, he's opening up again. He's not nervous anymore. Hey!
We gotta
Oh
open
my
it.
gosh, I'm getting shocked in
How
real
do you
life, bro.
open
I'm
it?
getting shocked in real life.
Efficiency decreased.
I don't know which one you're at. Hold on.
Oxygen efficiency decrease? What is this thing talking about?
When you go too far down, you lose less oxygen.
Oh, frick off, get a job, bro.
Wait, Eddie, I think I just like glitched the game.
Jacob, when he soft locks himself in every single game.
No, Eddie, like I think I just like did something I don't think I was supposed to be able to do.
Wait, I'm coming.
Cause it's closed, and I got my head like through I like no clipped my head through the thing. and,
Yeah,
like,
so we're gonna have to
activated
open
it.
this. Wait, you touched it?
Yeah, I touched it. Look.
Oh
if
my
you come
gosh,
over
here we go. Jacob's like breaking the whole game.
If you come over here, you can barely touch it.
Oh my gosh, you can. Wait, hold on. I'm like doing that. You didn't touch it.
No, I did. My hand went in it, and it told me something. I didn't read it because I was too busy telling you. Okay, I
Yeah.
don't remember which side I was on. I think it was that side. I think I was like here.
Why y'all trying to like
No,
Oh, I
break
just
it?
touched. I just touched it.
Why y'all trying
Yeah.
to break it?
Yeah, Eddie.
When you glitch the game,
Max,
when you and your
Max,
friends
come
glitch the
here.
game. Max,
like,
come here.
up against here, and you can like touch it.
Yeah, yeah, we did it.
Like just push yourself against it. Do you
Oh
see
my
it?
gosh!
Snark
Oh
is
my
gonna have
gosh!
to
I
fix
did it.
this.
Wow. Okay.
That's
Am I
probably
like,
good.
am I
Hey,
like
bro!
him for that?
Don't let the player hit the game. Oh
Eddie,
wait,
am I
yeah.
him
Now
for
I
that,
can
or
go
is
into the
that, like,
hot
L?
biome. I remember being over there.
Do you guys wanna go there?
Sure. Yo, there's like an angry torpedo down here.
Eddie, am I him for that, or is that L?
You're like low-key pretty himmy. It's like W, like you have to like let Subnautica know the feedback though. They're gonna be like, all right, we're gonna get right on this, Jacob.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks for
I'm
informing us. of
expecting
this.
like Subnautica to like comment on Max's video and be like, okay, we'll fix this ASAP.
No, Subnautica's gonna comment and be like, you little bugger. Okay,
How am I
wait.
always-
Where's
dude,
the hot?
Eddie.
Where's the hot biome at? Where's the hot biome at?
Come back to the base and I'll bring us over there.
Eddie, did you
Eddie,
watch
your
Max's-
swimming form is just so like delicate.
Okay, there we go. All right, you guys want to go to the
Max-
fire
Max-
area?
talking about
Yeah,
Jordan
I tried to go
Paul,
over there
bro, I'm
earlier
not-
and it was like telling me
Okay,
to go
what
away.
we should do first is we
What?
should
Talking
craft.
about-
Do you guys have the air tank?
Air tank.
Air tank?
Air tank.
Yes.
Yeah, I just need rubber.
Okay, well, let's get the
I have
air
the-
tank going
I
and
have the
let's get
standard
ourselves
air tank.
situated so we
Do you
can
mean
like.
the bigger one?
Okay.
Yeah, we should probably get both of them.
I have
They're
the
pretty
first
easy
one.
to get.
I have the first one.
Okay,
I just need
gotta-
rubber.
What do you need for the second?
You need the
A pastille
plasteel.
ink. All right, who has the
Where do you get those?
who has the habitat builder?
I do.
Okay, Max, come here.
Okay.
Come in the base, buddy.
Come.
See, okay, this is the part where we might have to go and explore stuff because we might not have a. All right. Yeah. Open it and then go to like, you scroll through till you see like processor or something like that in like one of the tabs.
Yeah, I got processor.
Yeah, we're gonna need to build that.
Okay. Mild acid, Jacob. That was in the thing. Can you go retrieve it for me? And I need copper wire.
That was in the thing?
The thing right above us. I forgot what it's called. The little chute. Go
The
fetch
light
it for me, boys. Okay, you can put that other one up. I just need one.
And then with that, we can craft
And
the
then-
big like steel like ingot thing.
And then with that, we can explore.
There you go. Oh, my light's just flickered in my room. Freddy's coming in my room IRL. I dropped on the floor. All right,
What made you think of Freddy?
I don't know. All right, what do I need for this? I need
All right,
rubber.
processor going right here. Jacob,
When Roach
chill
the
out,
cookies
bro.
that makes them make AO sounds. Okay, so we're gonna need lithium. We don't have lithium.
Yeah, we need the Sonic. We need the Sonic
Alright, hold
bubby.
on. I need silver.
Wait,
and
yeah.
that
How do we get lithium?
it's just an ore you need to find around.
No, I found lithium, but I just couldn't mine it because it was too big, and I don't have Mr. Sonic.
Grabs the resources.
Oh, I got some lithium.
Eddie.
lithium.
Oh, bring it home, Maxwell. Bring it home.
I just got one though. Is that
Well,
enough?
if you want to find like more out there, no, we'll need 3 for each of us.
Okay.
I can make the ship.
Is that what this is?
All right, so you two go in the water down there.
Okay.
And I'll get a little crafty. No, you go in the water, like swim down.
Welcome aboard.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yo.
Here's the little guy.
I think it might be glitched for me.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
it's
there
just
we go.
there.
No, Jacob's soft locked. No, Jacob's soft locked.
All right, I got it. All right, I got
Yo.
it.
Wait, no, Jacob, bring it back.
Dude, you glitched off my screen and immediately just like took it. Yo, this is crazy.
All right, Max, you want to go to the new area?
I guess so.
All right, here, get out real quick.
Okay.
I will point you in the new area. I think
Bro,
it
what is
should
this thing? It looks like a baked
It should be
meat,
this
bro.
way.
It
It
looks
should be
like
that way.
a
All right,
mighty
so what we're
bean.
gonna do, Max, you hop in the driver's seat, and me and Jacob grab the yellow.
All right, let's go.
All right, Max, we're on. Drive straight, Max. And you have
Holy
lights with
crap.
with
And I
right
just
click.
don't lose
No.
oxygen because
Yeah,
I'm
we
holding
don't
onto
yeah.
the bar.
What
Yeah,
a
you don't lose oxygen.
what a freaking crazy play this is.
W play, bro.
What are we gonna find in this new area? What a mystery this is.
Such
Oh my
fun
gosh,
things
I'm
to
just hitting
explore with
stuff.
your friend.
The temperature's rising.
Yeah, this is it.
Water
This is the moment we've all waited for.
Hydrothermal vents are a dependable source
Here we
of
are.
minerals and power.
It's just a bunch of bull crap over here, Eddie.
No. This is just the entrance, Max.
Okay. Little butthole.
Who's that friend? Let's
Can we
fly in
t-
it.
Okay.
When you fly in the hole.
Trick shot.
Oh!
Dude, I thought they'd let me do that.
Welcome to the new area. Oh, wait.
Dude,
that
it is
part of
hot
the
as a
game? Do you
fart
guys-
over here.
Wait, do you guys hear that? Is that
What is
part of
that?
the game?
Okay, is that AO right there or what?
Welcome
Y'all see
to
that?
the new
Yo!
area.
Jacob, look at what's going on in Adventure, man. Like, is this fun or what? Like, imagine
Ooh,
this
whoa,
was real
whoa,
life.
whoa.
Your Mickey Mouse.
Yo, what was that? I'm going away from that, bro. Something's
Dude, I have,
screaming,
like,
bro.
Beautiful music playing to this.
He's ticked off.
Oh my god!
Yo!
It's above me! Yo, he's hitting me!
He hit me, Max. Max drifted, bro.
Drifting around the corner. Hold on. It's like we got a ship remnants over here. Why is y'all ticked off at us? We didn't even do anything.
I'm on the top.
Am I like whipping y'all around like all crazy?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Where are we going now?
You should keep going like like this one.
Okay. Oh wait, it's getting cooler. Am I going the wrong way?
Yeah, like go like that. Maybe like a little left.
Yo, I'm hearing these noises, Eddie. What's going
Dude,
on?
I know now. I'm
Whoa,
like, getting scared.
whoa.
Structure. Echo analysis detects
What is this?
precipitous silence.
Oh my god, the evil room.
Alert for a
Oh, it's the
sudden
base.
drop in the seafloor.
Oh. What's up, buddy?
Can we go
Oh,
in?
base. Yo, you want to explore the base?
Yeah.
Wait, let's get out. Let's explore.
What's in here, bro?
I'm gonna need my lights on.
Let's get a little scanning.
Be careful. Are they nipples?
We're getting all these little, like, unique little scans in here.
Little fishies.
Oh, what the frick is this? Scout Ray chassis?
That's the mechanical McGuckin. Yeah.
Dining chair unlocked.
Alright, do you guys
I might
want to get
about it.
Do you guys want to get back inside?
I'll get
the
back
funny-
on.
Wait,
we could probably just like keep going straight. Wait, Jacob,
Wait,
get on
I'm
the
going
ship.
to get more oxygen, or do I not need to?
No,
don't need
just
to.
get on the ship. Get on the ship. You'll
Does it
replenish them.
redo it?
Yeah, it does.
Ah,
Wait, is Jacob on? Wait, Jacob's not on.
on.
I don't know if I want to be going to the cool area. Whoa. What do we got down here?
Whoa, when it glows, when bro,
Yo, what the frick is that, bro?
Oh my
Max,
god, this whole area is calling me
Max.
blue.
What? What?
Max,
What the frick is that, Eddie? What the frick is that, Eddie?
you have to drive away.
Wait, that's my friend. That's my friend.
Wait,
Yo,
no,
this
it's Jacob's
area is
friend.
huge, bro. Where is he?
It's a big squid.
Big fat squid. Don't squirt on me, bro. Dude, he's still there,
You guys
bro.
made me angry. Oh my
He's
gosh.
looking at me. He's looking at
Oh my
me.
gosh.
He's looking at me, bro.
Imagine driving into like the sea.
Bro, this is terrifying.
He's still there. He's still there. Bro, it's killing me. You don't care, bro.
Bro, what the frick is that?
It's over.
Wait, I keep going in that direction though.
We do?
Oh yeah.
Wait. Can I just sneak by him though? Do you think he'll notice?
Water intake.
That's what
No,
you
he
guys trying
won't.
to do.
He won't. He won't.
Nah, he won't notice.
Yo, Eddie, I think he noticed.
He's making scary sound.
Eddie, he noticed?
I think he knows. I think he knows.
I don't think he did. I think we could just keep going.
Oh,
I think he
shoot.
knows, Max.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna sneak by him. Do I just gotta go
You gotta
this
hit it
way?
right. You're going back home. No, you're going back home. You gotta hit it right.
Oh, okay. What's over here?
This is the new area, Maxwell.
Why is he like guarding it though? Like we're like invading his home. This is like rude.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right,
Dude,
Jake, can you
it
give us
kills
like an
me.
explorer like overlay thing?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
you like
yeah.
say like your like explorer voice.
All right. Yeah. Ready? As you can see, we've reached the bottom of the ocean. But one mystery still remains. What was that giant creature chasing our underwater ship? Well, we've moved on now, but I have a feeling that that's not the only encounter that we'll experience.
Bro, the music is scaring the crap out of me.
So the only time will tell where we are actually going.
Dude, it's pitch black.
Dude, I can't see anything. I just can't see anything.
Dude, why are there little Call Me Please blue particles everywhere, bro?
Dude, there are actually a lot of them.
Game, they're
cloak
like
me
my little
particles.
friends. They're my little buddies.
It's so you know
Cloak me
where like you're
particles.
going. Well, it's like
Yeah,
there's like a
shut the
butthole
frick
up here.
up.
There's like a butthole up here.
Go in it.
Okay.
Go in it, go in it, go in it.
There's
I'm
two
hyped.
buttholes. Left, right, or left, right,
my
left,
God.
right.
In the hole. Left.
Left.
Take left and then go in the right. Cloak me, please, blue hole.
Yo, what is that fish doing, bro?
Huh. It seemed like it might have led into the side of the mountain, but it didn't.
What the frick, bro? It's like a little boost.
Hey, Max, hit like a little pull up. Hit like a little pull up to the right. Little pull up to the right.
What's over here?
Oh,
See
yeah.
the girls in.
When bro finds the beautiful land.
Oh, shoot.
Detecting powered fabricator systems and construction materials.
Whoa.
Advise
Oh, we're gonna have to get
construction
searchy.
of a
We're gonna have to get
regional
searchy.
We have to get a little searchy. We gotta put the
Oh, yeah.
goggles on.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get searchy. I hear something blinking, calling Eddie's name. Oh, it's right here. It's right outside.
What is it, Ed?
Oh, it's an air. We already had it. It was an air tank.
Okay.
Wait, it's another one. Calling Eddie's name. Hello, buddy. When bro gets efficiency.
Jacob, come back. Jacob, come
What?
back.
I need.
Whoa! Why is it going so incredibly fast?
Wait, Jacob glitched it.
All systems on.
Wait,
wait,
I'm putting
go
the
outside,
power
Max.
back in. I'm putting the power back in.
Wait, Jacob, do that again.
Wait, hold on. How do I get back in?
In the front.
Yo! Jacob! Jacob, come back up! Jacob, come back up! Jacob, come back up!
Wait, let us get on it. Let us get on it while you do that.
Yeah.
Wait, stop. Let's get on the side.
Yeah, Jacob.
Stop moving! Wait, no, Jacob, you drive it. You drive
Slow
it.
down.
You drive it.
Okay, ready?
All right, I'm ready.
It's like a
Wait, Jacob, go to the Leviathan with the fast ship. Go to
Where
the
do I
Leviathan.
go?
Like that. Keep going like this way. Like to
Okay.
the. Yeah, like
Okay.
this way.
I can't see much in front of me though. This is like Star Wars. This is sick. Oh shit! Let's go.
Wait, like, go all the way up in the water. Go all the way up. Just look up and go straight.
Yo!
Keep doing it.
Wait. I gotta go like super far down. Wait, hold on. Let's go back.
How
Hold
are you
on.
glitching
Hold on.
it? How'd you
Hold on.
glitch
I don't
it?
even know how he
Ready? Ready? We're going up. Oh! Where's that Leviathan, bro?
Bro, go see him again, bro. What is his
I don't
name,
know
bro?
where he is. Oh no!
Oh shoot!
No,
Jacob,
Jacob,
turn
no.
around! Turn around, Jacob!
I'm going back. I'm going back. We're going back.
Wait,
we're
no,
going back.
go to the wait, go back in there. We gotta see the scary guy. We gotta see the other scary guy.
Go back where? I don't
Turn
know
around.
where in there is.
Turn around and just go straight. Go straight through the border. Go through the border.
What do you mean go through the border? It said you'll die.
No,
I know,
you
keep
don't
going.
die.
Oh.
Just wait for it, wait
This is
for
where
it.
you see Mr. Scary.
Oh! Wait, where is he?
Oh, he's right there!
Oh my gosh, there he is!
Wait. We're looping back around.
Dude, he like can't even catch us because we're so fast, bro.
Bro. I wanna. Dude, did you guys see like how sick that was when we passed the other one and like
Dude, I
ducked
know.
under him?
Dude, it was so cinematic.
I know. Oh shoot.
Jacob,
Oh,
how did you do this, bro?
I just got in.
Bro, how are we back at the house, bro?
Dude, this is like the sickest thing ever, bro.
Dude, we actually got like the extra speed blitz boat,
Dude,
bro.
I'm finding glitches left and right.
Bro, like if you need someone to like
Okay,
test
wait,
your
wait,
game,
wait.
just have Jacob play it,
Dude,
bro.
it's crazy because I actually like can't stop it, bro. Like I can't
Until
not
you
go
get
this
out?
fast. Where should I go? Where do we
I'm
want to go?
dehydrating.
Jacob, take us home, take us home.
Okay.
Yeah, take us home.
Hold on.
I wonder what
I
this
gotta,
feels like.
figure
Like,
out
I
how
wonder
to
what this
stop.
feels like for
Okay,
us,
there we
bro.
go,
We're probably
there
like,
we go. Wait, do I just have that like infinitely?
wait,
I don't know.
Does that work for me now? Hold on.
I ain't
No, bro, I got the chill, bro. I
only
got.
me,
Oh, wait, Jacob, do it again. Wait, see if it stays doing it.
Wait, ready? Wait, stand where I am.
Okay.
Stand where I. Wait, actually, stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Like, only Jacob, bro. Like this
Holy
stuff would happen
Jacob,
to.
bro. Dude, that is funny, bro. What
Dude,
the
I
frick
gotta
is wrong
see,
with
bro.
your game, bro?
I gotta see when that happens.
Wait, Jacob, you know what you should do? Wait, hold on. Let me drive you to an area where it might be funny to do something. Let me drive real quick.
Bro, I actually need another chocolate chip cookie after that. It actually felt like a Disney movie, bro. When we saw the
James,
Leviathan and I ducked under it.
Can you bring us back to him, bro? Can you bring us back to him?
I don't know where he is.
Hold on. Wait, get on real quick. Everyone on.
Come on.
I'll like point you in the direction, Jacob.
All right, y'all ready?
Dude, it killed me because
Yeah.
Jacob just starts screaming, bro.
Like, bro,
Alright,
how
going.
is it only Jacob?
I don't know.
Dude.
So I just keep going this way?
We should
Dude,
try
Eddie,
to
what
scan him.
won't
We should
this
try to
make-
scan him.
Where is he?
Contact. Altera starship wreck detected.
Oh, shit.
We were outside.
Oh,
Seek fresh water intake.
I don't know
these
where we
guys?
are.
Altera starship.
I don't know, just like bros,
We're
like
two-
three
we're
bros
two-
like swimming in the water right
We
there.
got we're 3K meters from home, bro.
Bro,
I don't know where we are.
I'm just going to like
Dude,
different
Jacob, you're
areas.
scaring the crap out of me, bro.
What is that?
What?
The ship's breaking!
Oh, because you're too far down. Go up. Go.
Medical attention.
Jacob. Oh no. No. No.
We were right by
Questions incompatible. compatible with life.
Jacob.
Your
Bro, it's killing me. They just killed you and ran away,
When you're in water like that, you genuinely can't tell how low you are, because it's just water.
last friend exited King.
Bro,
Bro, they just
lost.
killed Max and went away.
Emotional and
Bro, I'm like all the way away now, bro.
born and rebirth.
I'm right by the squid
Dude,
bubby,
I don't
bro.
even know if I'm gonna be able to make it to the surface, bro.
Dude, y'all are far, bro.
That was
Bro.
so funny, bro. Dude, Max, can you please load up the recording right now and show
Bro,
when we ducked
yeah.
under those
I gotta
vibes,
do an outro. We gotta get back to the base, bro. Alrighty, y'all. Well, after Jacob zoomed us into utter despair. Oh, what the frick? You just like glitched forward, bro. After Jacob zoomed us into utter despair, and we saw a glimpse of the Leviathans. After a bunch of exploring, a bunch of crafting. Special thanks to Eddie for helping us get this far after we got lost. If you guys did enjoy part 1 of Subnautica 2 and you'd like to see more, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.
Thank
the
you.
big stuff from talking about big ups on the man den, bro.
Big up, big up,
Yo!
big up, big up, big up, big up, big. Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna join you, Jacob. I need to hear this music you're talking about. Jacob, what the frick is this music? Bro, I feel extra stupid today. Yeah? Yeah. How do you- wait, oh, here's where I customize. Hold on. Yo, I'm naked, bro! Put clothes on, bro! Frick it, bro. I'm going no pants, bro. Now, fellas, have you ever had to deliver a package before? No, I'm not talking that kind. Okay. Yes, some no's, some yes, some no's. Well, today, that's exactly what we are gonna be doing. And you say, Driftfest, we? Who's we you talking about?
Yeah, you already know it's that time, and I go jump.
Okay, Jacob. Jacob, go ahead and sink a basket
buddy?
because we're excited about what we're gonna do
All
today.
right. Look left, look right, look behind you, and get it right. Round 2.
Howdy, fellas. My name is Driftfest. Welcome to Panic Delivery, a game where you gotta deliver stuff in panic. I guess I don't really know. Push to open. Oh, no, this has to be it, bro. Yeah, here we go.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Wait, Jacob, ready?
What the frick did you do?
How did you do that?
Bro, where's the mission collector bender? Oh!
Mission select.
Wait, what if it's this?
It's this.
Yes.
Okay, wait, Jacob,
All
we
right,
got
get it.
Ruined
All right.
Land, Panic Factory, and Arctic. Let's do Arctic.
Panic Factory.
Okay. The flagship facility of Panic Incorporated. Panic Factory is a cold, relentless mega plant. Yeah, we're doing it. Where will we go? Where will this take us? Oh. Jacob? Jacob? Where did my buddy go? Jacob.
Alright, get in!
Let's go. Let's go,
Get
Jacob.
in, baby! Let's freaking go!
Deliver these
Let's freaking
stinking
go! Let me
packages.
drop!
Okay. Are we ready, Jacob?
Open that sucker up!
This big
Oh my
old place,
God.
bro.
Hold on,
Where's
hold
our
on.
package?
Hold on. I can show you my package. Alright,
Bro.
alright, so we gotta deliver these?
Bro, I have a graffiti gun.
I bought that. Alright, you ready to freaking go?
Yeah, let's deliver these packages,
Frickin'
but
go.
no. This is the new Amazon. Me and Jacob are the new Amazon.
Wait. Evil faces on the side of the building. But it's not gonna fool me.
Okay, Jacob.
Wait.
Hold on. Bro, the
Mysterious
lightning,
packages
bro.
bring-
Hold on, let me turn it down.
Yo,
What the frick is this, bro? Jacob, what
they're
did you
making
find, bro?
Roblox clones. Hold on. Say, wait, hold on. Say, and I dance on his dirty cock.
Jacob, pick up your package. We gotta deliver this sucker, bro. E to open. Oh, what's up, bro?
Oh, shoot.
E to open. Oh, what's up, bro?
Max, watch out on the floor. Newspapers of death and despair.
Not
Hold on,
even,
light
bro.
switches anywhere?
I got medical resources. Where are these monsters at,
I
bro?
don't like this. Too
is
eerie.
this?
Too eerie, bro. Too eerie.
Oh, Jacob Skeleton, watch out. Jacob?
Max,
What?
who the frick is that?
What? It's
There's
a
a
skeleton.
frickin' bra in there. Oh!
Jacob, it's not that exciting, bro.
He dead. Max, there's gonna be something in here, bro.
No, it's not, bro. It's gonna be all
What
good.
the frick is that?
This game better get scary quick, bro.
What was
I'm
that?
starting to
What was that? What was that?
What'd you hear?
I heard from where we came from. I heard.
Jacob, quit messing around with me, bro.
Okay, wait. So where do we deliver these?
That's a great question, Jake. Oh, Jacob, watch out. There's a mine in there, Jacob.
There is?
Not in here, the other room.
Hold on, what is it? What does it look like so I know? Okay.
Yeah. It looks like a very obvious mine. Don't get fooled.
Max, you gotta scan the floors before you go in the room, bro.
Jacob, I move fast and quick. If you can't handle the pace, just let me know. And I'll find a reploplement ASAP.
Wait,
There's
is that
nothing
the
in here.
end?
There's nothing in here.
Okay, surely we're missing something.
Yo!
Wait, is it icy? And I glide across the floor, and I glide across the.
Jacob, you're getting
my
close,
God.
bro.
Ow!
My turn. Holy
No!
Yo! Jacob, we lost a package. Jacob, I hear
You
noises.
hear that?
I do.
That's Squid Game.
Sir, we got your package, sir.
That's Squid Game.
Squid Game, no. This is big game. Jacob!
Oh, Max, bloody on the floor.
Wait, it's
Come on,
like
open that
outside right
door.
here. Oh, is that glitch?
Wait, so is it like ice skate to get to the next stage, ice skate back to get to the last stage?
It's outside.
Wait, outside?
Yeah.
This is where Boss lives. Look at all these things. Max!
What?
Almost stepped on the mine, bro. Almost stepped on the mine.
Bro, I'm like 500 meters away.
It's okay, buddy. Okay, only mine so far. Can't be that scary. Max, I'm getting really scared, bro.
It's okay, Jacob, I'm here.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What did you just
Box
pick up?
of weapons. Care gun.
Wait, I want a weapon. Can I have one?
I just gave you care, Jacob. I just gave you care.
My left arm isn't working now.
Yo!
Oh! Copy paste blue! Come on, who are you?
Deliver. Oh my gosh.
Wait, you found it?
No, do we not? Delivery station.
It's open.
Okay, now, Jacob, we gotta go all the way back and get your package because you blew it up.
Holy
Max, look at that
What?
dude's mask.
What are you talking about? Okay.
Max, why do I feel like the trip home ain't gonna be so easy?
It's gonna be it's gonna be butter chicken.
Well, let's
It's
see
gonna
how
be
good that
with
butter
the side-
chicken
it's gonna-
really is.
Yo, what the frick is that, bro?
Let's see how good that buttered chicken really is. TNT crate.
Where'd you get that?
You okay? You want me to shoot you with the funny gun?
I heal myself.
Okay.
Jacob,
okay,
you
Max, I'm
spitting
telling-
some crap at us, bro. Ew.
Wait, I just Go past it.
Freaking
Max?
loser! What an idiot, bro.
Go. Why are you
Heal me up to
healing
the
me? I'm
sunshine
full.
in the morning, bro.
Max, I'm telling you, trip back ain't gonna be so easy peasy.
We encountered the obscure lizard man.
Watch out for that. What was that?
I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
What is that?
What?
I hear like a cog turning.
That's my brain coming
Max-
up with a bunch of plays.
Max terrified to be said the least.
She knows that I'm terrified.
Max, right
She
here,
gotta
right
get
here.
out here, okay.
Max, please be careful.
Jacob, move your little tushy
I'm
through
good.
the field.
I'm good.
Move your little
okay.
tushy through the
Wait,
field.
easy peasy, first mission.
Yo,
Easy
what the
peasy,
frick
first
is that,
mission.
bro?
What is what?
There's a spider over there.
I don't see
Just
it.
run past it. Run past
Brightness too low. Okay.
Yes, it's Jacob, it's a freaky spider. Jacob, it's a freaky spider, bro. It's got its tongue out,
Shoot
bro.
me with the gun! Shoot me with the gun!
Ew, bro, ew.
Yo,
Oh my
I'm
gosh,
not doing this today.
W dodge. Hold on, Jacob, I'm gonna beat
Max,
the crap
how do
out
we
of
get
him.
out? This is the.
Boing!
I'm out.
What up, bro?
I'm out.
Welcome to the freaking
Max,
crew,
I'm
bro.
lost.
Get real or eat a seal, bro. Let's go. It wasn't that
No, I
funny,
think it's
Jacob.
this way. I don't know, bro. Bro, I'm so lost.
Bro, I haven't blinked in like 40 seconds.
Max, I don't know how to get back, bro.
I think I killed that
wait.
little bugger.
Wait. This way. Max?
Where are you at?
Come here. Come here.
Let's go.
I think this way.
Let's go. Hopefully we don't encounter any more guys.
Yes!
Let's
Thank you
freaking
for
go,
visiting.
Jacob.
Thank
That's
you.
the big stuff from talking about big ups on the man den, bro.
Big up, big up,
Yo!
big up, big up, big up. Big up, big. Hello.
Yeah! Ah!
Still here.
I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out.
Dude, W4 lad family, bro. Oh my god, the light,
Yo,
bro.
who are
go to
these
the
people,
ship,
bro? What are they doing right there?
Okay, should we
Fun,
just
dog.
should we try to do this one?
Jacob, they gave us 2 packages for a reason.
Oh.
Jacob, either we get real or we're cowards. Are we real?
Repair station.
Are we real or are we cowards?
Full new package, full new package.
Alright. Me and this
Wait, secret
crowbar,
passage?
me and this Oh, no! Get frickin' sniped, little boy. You wish you could ever do this. Stay down. Stay down.
Is Jenny still here? Oh.
Yep. I'm beating the crap out of Jenny right now. Oh, his legs are spread. Jacob, run. I think I killed that little sucker. Man, frickin' eat a bag of piranhas.
I got tools and gears. Dude, I don't know. I feel like more mobs spawn the further you are out.
Jacob,
Further
I used all the
out,
heals.
you
Jacob,
go
I used all the
miles.
stinking heals,
You
bro. I used all my heals.
X,
Hey.
carrying the package is a little too hard to do while you're ice skating, so I'm gonna ice skate it right over to the end, right here. Easy ball right here. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Yep.
Dude, that was actually impressive.
And I'll do it again. Check it out. Sing. Okay, no evils, okay? All nice, no evils.
Jacob, I think you have the biggest brain of anybody I've ever played with.
Look, all nice, no evils. All nice.
Jacob, get up. Jacob, get up. Jacob! Jacob! If you can hear me, say the number 4.
Bye.
I must continue by myself. The mine on the floor traced him down. Beat him with an inch of it. Beat him within an inch of his life. I'm such an idiot, bro. I can't pick up the package, bro. There we go. Okay. Alright, just a little scratch. Just a little scratch. Everything inside is still fully operational.
All packages delivered. Good job. Now bring back the briefcase or you won't get paid. Remember that it's very volatile, so don't damage it or it will explode.
Are you kidding me? Alright, of course I gotta do this crap alone. Alright, place your bets now. Will he make it back without a scratch? I bet on yes. Bro, we got the... is that the unknown, bro? Alright, what are the chances? What are the chances that I can run by that young man? Wait for him to move. Wait for him to move. Just like that. It doesn't get any better than this. It doesn't get any better than this. Let's go. I'm ice skating! Holy crap. You would have thought I'd done this competitively when I was a younger kid. Take the sucker to the home base. See ya, Jenny. Easy, bruv. Lock and load. I'll see you guys next time. Genius plays from your boy today. Genius plays from the young man. Genius plays from the young man. We're delivery shit.
That is how you do it. That is how you do it.
We got a 50% score. I think that's a glitch. That should be like 110. What do we do with this little guy? Hey, where the frick is Jacob at? All right. Winner takes the cake. I see. Oh my gosh, here we go. How much do we get paid? How much do we get paid? That was like 85 bucks.
Jenny!
What's up, Jenny?
Wait a minute. Wait, how much money did we get?
Like 80 bucks.
Jacob, no. Jacob, no. I swear. Jacob, I swear. Jacob, I swear.
Imagine if it hits the plus 500 though.
Okay, hold on. Let's see what. Okay. Jacob, is everything okay? You want to do another one?
Let's go. Yeah, I want to do another one.
Alright, no, let's see what they got. Let's do the Arctic. Let's do the Arctic. Welcome, aliens. Now we're human, bro.
Alright.
Jacob, when we get in there, why don't you get a little Tassiumed up? Let's go.
Got my Tassium,
What is this, bro? What is this, bro? We got parkour before we could eat. Jacob could not give a fart today. Oh my gosh, he's dead, bro. Yo!
Can you back up?
Okay.
Tassium.
Jacob.
I can't have more Tassium.
Jacob, I know you feel funny. Why don't we get a little funky?
Some funky.
Hey,
take
be
it
very
slow.
careful. Okay. I hate this kid. Alright,
Tassium?
we're ready in the beginning of Spider-Man movies? Alright, let's do this again.
Why do we only have one package?
Oh, maybe it's because you freaking Dinklesnort decided to jump in feast first. Feast first. First we feast.
Wait, you low-key think I could take a shortcut?
Try it, bro. Go ahead, bro. I said short and steady, or slow and steady.
Bang! Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't like the jumping mechanics.
Don't fall in the water. Alright, Jacob, I'm gonna be your guide. Okay, goodbye. Okay, hello.
Okay.
I just know the
Period
monsters.
7 science.
Period 7 science. Ooh, wait, we get to go in the elevator.
You see, I brought you here today to my lab to test your buttocks.
Ew.
What a mystery. Protein on the floor. Frick was that?
No, what is
Who
this?
the frick is that?
Money bag.
Package. Wait, maybe I turn on my brightness a little more. Hold on.
Check me out. Alright, Jacob, remember the route. Remember, we have to come back. Oh, what do we got here?
That?
Dude.
And another money bag.
Did I just get
Wait,
an
what does
upgrade?
this do? What do we do with the little money?
Keep it and we export it and for changing the global economy.
Export Premiere. Okay, this was the, oh my god, this was the room where they watched 3FS. They knew you were coming, bro. Hold on, let's go through this door. What's through this door, though?
Bear trap!
Why am I wait, banana healing? Wait, give me banana healing.
Let's see if it heals you.
Yes, W healing. Aren't you glad I didn't
This
say
gotta
apple?
be it. This gotta be it.
Hazmat
what is that noise?
suit.
What is that
I'm gonna
noise?
give you the boot. I don't know, oxygen chamber number 1. This is like that
what the
area.
frick is this, bro?
This is, yo!
This dude just sat
This is
down and
Max.
died right there.
Max, this is like the oxygen area in Among Us.
Okay, I'm gonna just understand that.
Bang, I'm through.
Jackknife.
Bang, I'm through. Who's breathing?
Gooby Gubby.
Max,
Dude, it's like Alien.
do you hear that? Is this a door?
Is it really?
W pouch too?
Let's quit kicking
Bang.
around the package. We gotta deliver that from
Max, you. Who the frick is that? Who the frick is that, bro?
What?
Freaking alien statue, bro. Bro, Max, this is that type of game where you play and there's something on the ceiling, bro. We gotta be careful.
Bro, no, they would not do that, bro.
There's like no way here, bro.
We gotta go the other way. You're ridiculous. What do we have in here?
Yo.
Right, lottery! Jacob. B. Yo! She gotta get down.
Max?
What?
I'm softball.
Jacob.
Get me out! Oh,
All right,
oh!
there you go. There you go, bro. Good job.
What? What?
Yo!
What did I get?
You want it?
What did I get? Yeah. Oh!
Yo! That scared the crap out of me, bro.
I'm sorry.
Dude, oh my gosh, Jacob, aim it at the ceiling. Aim it at the ceiling now.
Where?
That worm.
Oh.
That wiener.
Yeah!
Get his little butt cheeks out of here, bro.
Watch out for goofy traps.
Kind traps. Yo, there's something gurgling
Maybe
behind
holes.
us, bro.
Maybe holes in the floor. Open that door.
Oh my gosh, give me one more. Let's go. Jacob, what the? Oh, it's a turret. All right, Jacob, let's go.
All packages delivered. Good job. Now bring back the briefcase or you won't get paid. Remember that it's very volatile, so don't damage it or it will explode.
Jacob, are you alright?
What the frick is this?
What?
Yeah, there's something over here.
Alarm? No, don't press it.
Why not?
We gotta go. We gotta get out.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, okay. See, we're chill.
This is my favorite.
Yo, oh my gosh, it's him. Run around him. Let's go, dude.
Way.
Jacob. Oh my gosh, freaky dog dude chasing us. He's right there. Bro got uninterested, bro. We must stink.
Where is he? Where'd he go?
We go trap him. Oh my gosh, Jacob, no, don't you even think about it.
Where'd he go?
Come here, little buddy. Come here.
Wait, he low-key might have went back the way we came, but I think we're good.
Yeah, we got it.
What is that? What are you holding?
It's the thing that this is how you get paid.
Okay. What if I threw this right now?
Don't, bro. Jacob be
okay,
like,
no
right.
evil clones.
Jacob be like, alright,
No evil
rocket jump.
clones.
Okay, I can't see like at all. Hold on. I'm a legend! Ooh, did I hit that note? Yes or no? Let me know down in the comments below. Eat that, buddy. Jacob, it's been me doing all this work the whole time. Can we not make it like 70-30 split? I'm feeling more comfortable with that.
I like to get money, and I like to get racks.
Jacob, I reckon we end this video off. Oh, you read my mind.
You are stupid.
What? Yo! Wait, Jacob,
yeah.
do you want to do a send-off basket for the outro?
Yes, let's go.
All right, Jacob, as
Hold
soon
on.
as the ball gets in the hoop, I cut straight to the outro, okay? All you gotta do is get the ball in the hoop, okay? Keep shooting that
It's
ball,
gonna
and
be
eventually
this
the ball
one.
is gonna go in that hoop. All right,
It's gonna
keep
be
shooting.
this one. It's gonna be
And
this
that
one.
ball is just gonna arc straight into that hoop, man. Oh,
Yep,
just
and
beautiful,
it's
just
gonna
like
be
that.
this
Keep
one.
shooting, and once that ball goes in that hoop, you already know what's gonna
Yep.
happen, man.
Yep.
So that ball's just
Yep.
gonna go up, and then it's gonna come right back down. I'm just saying the outro. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to punch Jacob in the face next time you see him. If you guys make sure to comment your favorite timestamp. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as soon as Jacob makes this basket, this video is gonna end.
Yo, this is
Now,
impossible.
He didn't even shoot it right there. All right. So as soon as Jacob makes it in the basket. Let's go! Try again, little boy! Mom cut my hair a little short, feeling kind of swaggy. If I bought a pair of jeans and they're too big, they'd probably be baggy. Oh! Oh my gosh, bro. Hello, everybody. My name is Surfest. Welcome to Cobb Can Move. Now, occasionally I'll just be chilling from day to day from time to time, and I'll just get started. My phone will start blowing up, and I'll get comments on YouTube, on Instagram, on any other platform. People are just like, hey, bro, you wanna play this game, bro? And today, that game of choice is this game, Cobb Can Move. Now, as I was looking this game up to get the download, apparently this monster adapts its playstyle to get better as you get better, which will not be happening today. Let's see. Story mode. Okay, Cobb, let's see what you got. Cobb Can Move. Okay. Level 1 out of 7. This little freaking guy. Who's this guy, bro? What do I gotta do? Oh, I gotta put the coal in the fire. Okay, freaking easy. Okay, wait. Cobb can move. Holy crap! What is that? Cobb can move. 3FS can get cheeky. Cobb can move. 3FS can put coals in the fire. That's what I gotta stink and do. Just put coals in the fire all day. Now, what if I get a little trappy? What if I start using my freaking brain? Right? Can I? He like knows where I am. He's got freaking aimbot. No, somebody do something immediately. This guy's got cheats. Hey. He can hear, hold on. put it on there, just put it on there, just put it on there. It's gonna go in there anyways. Deliver coal, 1 out of 3. This is it, this is it, this is it. Level 1 wipe. Hashtag easy, bro. Just wait for them to go in there. It's kind of like Satisfactory, but you just gotta wait for everything, dude. It's kind of nice. I like that. All right, make no noise, make no noise. That's 2. 2. 3 coming soon. 3 coming this summer. Bingo, baby, bingo. Easy, bruv, easy. Level 2. Cobb can hear. He could hear from the beginning. Oh, wait. Maybe he couldn't. That was just the... Okay. Hold on, let's be fast. There's 2 over here, 3 over here, actually. Oh my gosh. All right, no, the glitch. I don't want to hear it. The glitch, there's a glitch. Whoa. He was here and now he can see? What the frick we got going over here, bro? Was this a distraction? Oh, it is a distraction. That made no noise. The game's tricking me, making it think it noises. The game's tricking me, making it think it make noises, bro. Stinking easy, bro. This game was made for babies. This is one of those games that make you play in like 2nd grade to make sure you're like smart enough to continue school. I remember. Y'all don't want to ask about my experience with those games, bro. Y'all remember that they would make you play games where it was like, okay, how smart are you really? You know what I mean? 3 out of 4, 4 out of 4. Level 2 frickin' sweep. You thought it was Magnus Carlsen versus an infant, bro. Here, move, C. The classic 3. I gotta deliver 5 calls and flip a breaker. It's turning into a Roblox horror game at this point, bro. Yo, it's... Hold on, speedrun, Tracy didn't know. Yo, I didn't know he can traverse. He can traverse like that, bro. Hold on. Come on, bro. Okay, wait, they forgot to list something there. Cobb can see moving here. Oh, Cobb can sprint. What? I think you forgot one, bro. How does he possibly get any more advanced? This is advanced. I'm as just advanced. Or no, I'm way more advanced than that. What? Okay, let's go. What he possibly... Alright. What he possibly more do? What will he do that's possibly more? Okay, that goes in there. Sweet. Do I have a crouch? No, I gotta go 1 footstep at a time like a little buddy. I can't cheese it, can I? You can't see me over here, right? Hey! He's looking at me, bro. He's puppy guarding, bro. That's illegal. All right, check this out. Cobb, can I change this to be... Yo. Don't accidentally run to the fire, Max. Pick that up. I forgot he can cheat! He can cheat! So what is this? Cobb can climb on top of the buildings now, eh? What? No. Duplicate? Wait, what was the one he didn't get, though? Oh, breaker. Hold on, do that immediately. Too quick for everybody in the lobby. Cobb can duplicate, but 3FS is in the lobby? Is this even a challenge? You know those videos where they count down the top 10 best moments? I just gotta keep him away from the belt. What a clever mechanic this is. Satisfactory, but you can't change anything. Have to deliver. Oh, butthole, bro. Okay, hold on. Go over there, little boy. Frick, bro. I'm supposed to be leading him away, bro. What am I doing? Can I set it down lightly? Okay, he's going over there. Check this out. He doesn't know I know this. What does you know, you may ask? This. Bingo. One more, bro. Look at my little guy. He's scared as a fart. It's okay, buddy. I'm in the lobby. No worries. I hear Dose Cobb. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, but Cobb is freaking foolish. Cobb's freaking stupid. It's a rock! They didn't know I know that. Go over there, little buddy. Swipe. Left. On the belt. Mission accomplished. Let's freaking get these monies. What does he add, bro? Move, C. You can freeze. Was? Smell? Bruv. I don't stink, do I? It's berries and peaches in there, bro. Berries and peaches with a hint of lime. Why don't you give me... Wait a minute. I can freeze.
You can freeze?
Oh, you're frickin' with me, bro. Does the candles give me light? What the frick am I doing here? Okay, wait, let's just put that on there as we can. To be honest, I'm not even gonna worry about Cobb. I'm just gonna check this out. Move of the century. That may have been really bad. Hold on. Running so fast you thought I was cooking hash browns.
What's that smell?
Honestly, is it even that bad of a strat if I just hashtag don't care about cob and just put everything on the frickin' belt? Oh my gosh. GFS going frickin' stupid. Holy crap, bro. Is this a little first tee? Is this a little first tee? Little first tee for me? Let's see. I'm getting a little cold. Okay. Alright, just stay in the light. We're good. Okay. Yo. Little man shortcut gaming. Little man shortcut gaming. Surely I dusted him. Oh my gosh. Okay, just go down the bottom, That's it. Breaker's right here. I just gotta survive. Lead him away. Cobb, you're never gonna believe what's over here. Hashtag fooled. Hashtag fooled twice, bro. Go down there, wait for that thing to go in there. But that's weird, I don't know what's down there, everybody. Oh my gosh, I'm getting chilled like a willy. Heat up, little buddy. Coal should be delivered. Run away. Come on, bro. Gosh, can this belt go any faster? Any upgrades I can buy? I'm gonna hand deliver this sucker at this point. Let's go. Easy, bro. 5 out of 7. I blinked and I was here. See? Starve? They're gonna put burgers around the map and bullcrap, bro. Horror game, but there's hot dogs. What the frick? They chose carrots? At least choose something good, bruv. 3 breakers, 7 coals. Level 9 is... there's no level 9. Okay, wait. This is gonna be easy. Ready? 2 birds, 3 stones. Yo! Why? I thought we were going to the breaker, bro! Oh! If I'm just a little quick on my little feet, I can just run them out every single time. Good to know. Carrot for me. Breaker, everybody, breaker. They're going over there. Watch, they don't want to know it's me. Watch, in the dark, they can't see. Yes. Okay, my tummy's getting a little rumbly. Carrot would suffice. Hello. Sounds very nice. Put that on there. I understand how to play the game now. Listen. What you have to do, you can't prioritize delivering the coals. Hold on, where's he at? Butthole, bro, butthole. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking sneaky. I'm stealing bases like it's baseball. Let's go. You just have to run by there and put the coals on there and pray they make it in time. You pray you outrun them. Whoa, 2 out of 7? I could have swore that was like 5. Bro, I'm just doing crap. How long does my hunger last? Oh my gosh, and the carrots aren't infinite. Where's these coals at? Where's the coal at? I got 2 out of the 3 breakers though, it's pretty chill. Okay, there we go. Didn't I put 2 on there? Oh, dude, he's an idiot. He has no idea what he's doing. Oh my gosh, he just looks scary. He's never played the game before. Silly boy. Yeah, you're speaking my language now before you're speaking a language. But you're speaking mine now. Where's the coal at? Oh my gosh. Coal for me, coal for you. Hope you're not feeling blue. What's up, dude? Oh my gosh, thank you, genius. Okay, hold on. I just gotta camp. That's 4, 5, 6. Where's 7? Oh my gosh, 7's right here. Oh my gosh. You would've thought I played comp, bro. That's 1. 2's coming up soon. Watching that bottom right screen like a hawk. Oh my gosh, there he goes. Go, little boy, go. Run as fast as you little cat. Oh my gosh, there's his brother. Let's locate the final breaker. Right there, Breeze. Let's go! Try again, little boy! I'm spitting everywhere, bro. Let's freaking go! Don't ever try that crap in my lobby again, bro. Try that crap again, little boy! Let's go! 6 out of 7. Duplicate X2. Does that mean 4? Does that mean 3? Freeze and starve? Man, let's frickin' go, bro. Let's go! Okay. Okay. 8 coals, 4 breachers. Breakers. Ah, dude, I pulled like a muscle in my frickin' thigh, bro. My thigh meat's on 1 HP. Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot they come to the sound of the breaker. Holy moly. Put that down. Flip that. Put that down. Flip it. Flip it. Run. The distraction of the ages! Just get back to the mainland. Put it on there. Let's go, bro. Gosh, this is tough. Where's the carrot? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm feeling like a rabbit. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Uh-oh. Just fly right by me. Just fly right by me, bro. No! Just like that! Oh my gosh, bro. He can't decide. He can't decide. Look at him. The horror game, but he can't decide. Was. Carrot. Oh. Oh. Warm up, warm up, warm up. Bro. This flow state, you gotta research me to understand this crap. Oh my gosh, I died of freezing. Wow. This is turning into chess more and more every single round. This is turning into a complex game more and more every single time. If I get a randomizer, oh no, I'm gonna have to get the duplicate. I can only imagine 7 is either he moves twice as fast. I'm restarting if they give me that. It can only get worse from here. Okay. Start that one, lead him up there. Does the map change every time? Bogus. I can't take that. Okay, hold on. I can't do this though. Don't freeze, little boy. Don't starve. If you got wood, let's carve. I'm going comp mode, boy. I'ma starve. Dude, they're sniffing and stuff. Can't smell me, boy. You think if I give them some money, they'll frick off? Yo. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. Fart on it. Distraction City. Distraction City. They're all going over there. Now I can explore the downtown. Now I can explore the nether regions. Yo, there's like a million of them, bro. It doesn't help that I just like can't see anything. Oh my gosh, I can grab a candle. I totally forgot about this mechanic in time. Drop that. Eat a carrot. Now I'm fueled up. Bingo. Oh my gosh, coal right there. Just for me, just for me. What is that? What is that? Hey, little man, you didn't grab it? Oh my gosh, I'm freezing, I'm freezing, I'm freezing. Oh, there's no way to avoid being smelled. Try to keep a distance. Bro, I must reek. Now, honestly, you know what's not bad at all? Candy. But what if you were to ask me about the game? Redinkle Frankle, bro. I can. The next one's gonna be 10-5. The next one's gonna be 10-5. They better give me 2x movement speed. Then I will compete in your games. I like how they randomize the map each time. It's like the, I forgot what that's called when they do the, yeah. Ooh, a little trade out action, okay. See, where this gets really tough is the fact that you gotta clear the areas, because if you try and double back, that's where they're gonna be because you're making noise. Yikes. I gotta pull out my chest brain. I could've went Grandmaster, bro. I could've.
Hey guys, Ziri here. He has only played 4 games ever.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm just yummy today. Don't come over here, don't come over here. It's like that movie with the dude from The Office, where he was like, don't make any noise. What's that movie called? Oh my gosh, I'm hungry as a fart. Slurp it up. Don't breathe? What is that movie called? A Quiet Place. It's like A Quiet Place. Except it's a Cobb place. But 3 FS's in there. That's 4. Where's 5 at? Okay, I gotta time this breaker adequately. Frickin', I'm just doing it. Let's go. Where's 5 at? Where's 5 at? Oh my gosh, I'm nuts with a side of rice. Wait, that might be 7 out of 8. Hold on, just be patient, just be patient, just be patient. They're all over there. What do we get? What do we get? Give me 5! Give me 6! Give me 7! Do I have 8? Did I get lucky enough? Did I get 8? Bollocks, bro. Okay. Holy crap, I'm just going nuts. I did more than the quota. Do I get like a price boost because of that? Alright, they're all coming that way. Run down, run down, run down. It's gotta be over here. I didn't even check over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's gotta be over here. It's gotta be over here. Dead end, dead end, dead end. frickin' go, bro. Frickin' go, bro, come on! What's this last level got, bro? Move, Cobb can... Okay. Let's go. Cobb, do you know how to spell death? Doesn't matter. Whoa, 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 whoa! Is he getting skills as I'm getting skills? I've always had my skills, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, there's one. One Cobb versus... Place battery. Place battery where? Right frickin' here. He can hear, he can hear. Ooh, Cobby, Cobby! Cobb might trap you in a cobweb. Ooh. Cobb can smell. Yeah, he's picking up powers. The last one's gonna be duplicate. Yo. I already know, I already know. Load it up. Okay, the battery over there. I saw 2 batteries, so I technically know where the last one is. But I already forgot, it's okay. There. They're both on the bottom, they're both on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I'm mobile. I'm a little mobile guy. I'm a little mobile gerb. I can't freeze and I can't starve though. This is nice. I can just run around like a little buddy for the whole game. Alright, Cobb, you can hear? Yeah? Hear this. Hear that too. Oh my gosh. I'm devious. I'm devious. I'm like an evil villain, except I'm nice. Okay, don't run into there. Yeah, that'll 100% just kill me. Okay, where's the last guy at again? Yeah. Shoot. He couldn't see before? Yo. Oh my gosh, what is he doing right there? He's puppy guarding like a frick. Oh my gosh, I was running in for a freaking loop, bro. Oh my goodness. No, let's do that again. Let's do that again. I'm putting this dude to rest, bro. Wait a minute. He's a freaking cheese stick. He doesn't know what he's doing. Go over there, cop. See what's up. You know what I noticed I do? When I play these games? I'll unintentionally give myself a little challenge of like not using the items that I can use. I just want to like speed run the crap. I don't know why I do that. I just do that. And I just, correct me if I'm wrong, I just like beat every single game I play, so. Oh my gosh, bro. This dude's always in the stinking area. Cobb can do anything. Cobb can see, Cobb could smell, Cobb could do anything just but get a job. What's next? Cobb can... What's next? Cobb can frickin' write mathematical equations, bro? This game's tired me out. That's a home run. Just start clapping now. Just start clapping now. Bang. Come here, boy! Get in there. Me when the game thinks a cutscene is gonna play, but I'm actually still playing the game. It's weird. This is the last time. This is the last time I gotta do this. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Do I just have to survive? Oh my gosh. I think you got the name wrong. It's called Can't Move now. Made in 1 week from Major Jam 7. That was a good frickin' game. It's clever mechanics, clever design. Alrighty, y'all, well, if you did enjoy that short playthrough of Cobb Can Move, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Make sure to suggest some other games to me as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. And this year, I'm gonna keep the uploads rolling, you guys. One of my main goals since the inception of like when I started posting YouTube videos pretty frequently was to get a good schedule down. And I used to hit like every 4 days you would get an upload from me. You know, sometimes you get to 5 or 7 or something. Can't let that happen anymore. I'm gonna try and shoot for 2 or 3. I know that's definitely manageable for me, but I'm gonna be pumping a lot more uploads out for you guys. The Resident Evil series is coming soon. Resident Evil Biohazard, Resident Evil Village. That should be starting near the end of this month, so look out for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Easy, bruv. Yo! Yo!
What? Yo!
Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging.
He's dodging.
Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him? Gotta hit him with the flank.
Howdy fellas, my name is Steerfest. Welcome back to another video. Now, today, we're playing a game called Shift at Midnight, where you and a buddy have to watch a store and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Now, I mentioned you and a buddy. Wait a minute. Who's my frickin' buddy?
Yo, what's up? It's Jacob. Today, you already know that we're gonna press play, going into the game, and we're gonna stay. Yeah, so why don't you know my name?
Jacob, what the frick was that? Jacob, I ought to give you a swift kick in the neck because of that, bro.
No!
Through the night, you will get customers. You must figure out whether you're not there, whether or not they are doppelgangers. To detect doppelgangers, use the computer. The database always shows correct, verified information. Question customers to determine if they are doppelgangers. Greg Davis. This person has 1 arm. Now you see my arm actually grew back 2 days ago. What the frick is this? Now you see my arm. Boom! Take him out. Discuss with your friends and decide if you think the customer is a doppelganger. If you suspect the worst, locate a gun beneath the counter and shoot. If you are notified that a doppelganger has left the store, you better board up, lay traps, and hide. Freaking ready for this, Jacob?
Begin!
Wait a minute. Wait. Can you change your mic because it sounds like crap? Okay.
I'm a definite Discord. Alright, Jacob. Objective head side. You ready?
Yo, why do you run like that?
I didn't even
Wait a minute. Give me a second.
What?
Alright, we can't play this game. No emote button. But you know what I can do? I can crouch 1, 2. Just like this. Crouch 1, 2, and I do it like this.
Inside. It's like bread and crap on the floor, bro.
Sail.
Okay.
Dude, Night of the Consumers multiplayer, bro.
Head to the break room, Jacob. Come on. No
Head to the steak room. Alright, let's go.
Yo!
Oh. What the frick?
What the frick happened here, bro? Wait, we got 15 products, Jacob. Got to pick up a box.
Come on, man. Come on.
Jacob, gotta help me stock, bro. We gotta stock up.
Money.
Alright, let's go. Put this here, put this. Who the frick is that, Jacob? Who the frick is that, Jacob? Nobody here yet.
Shelf already full. Wait, Max, all the shelves are already full. Wait, not this one.
Pick a different frickin' shelf, you dingleberry.
Wait, it's telling me to go to your shelf, but
Jacob,
your shelf
these UI noises have me feeling
funky. I'm keeping this for you. It's there for you.
Thanks, buddy.
Go get all that money.
Box empty. Oh, dude. Jacob, this game is clean as a frick, bro.
Hide and go seek, find me, get a surprise.
Oh, excuse me, bro. Jacob. What happened?
Don't walk into the web.
Why?
Because it turns you.
Jacob, and you started screaming over that crap? Come on, bro.
Okay. So we got Cobra Cola. We got employee to do. How do we open shop? Bro,
read the instructions on the notice board. Where's the notice board?
Exit.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Use the trash bags to throw the limbs. Okay. Mop the blood. Restock. Okay, James. We got.
Well, I need a Cobra Cola. Give me a second.
Yo! Jacob, hold on.
Who the frick is this?
Okay, that's okay. Where's the stinking dumpster, bro? I have nowhere to put this guy.
Why did they add that?
I'm the stinking dumpster, bro. Oh, it's like outside. How do I get outside? What the frick, bro?
Bro, I think the dumpster over here, bro. Look.
No. Oh, yeah. It's right here. Jacob, you got to mop up the blood, bro.
Oh, W, buddy.
Jacob, pick this up right now.
Mop? What?
Pick this up.
Pick what up?
Yo! Now mop this up, bro.
Wait. Mop the blood.
Yes.
Right, where the blood at? Oh.
Right there. No!
Okay.
This right here, bro. Yeah,
Dude,
Jacob,
what
just do it.
could have possibly happened in this mysterious store?
Me? Read the instructions on the checkout counter. Okay.
I just threw it.
What do we gotta do? Alright, not reading all that. There's no time limit to customer interrogation. Scan their ID to open the real person's profile on the computer. Question them about these details. Discuss any suspicions you may have with your coworkers. If you all agree that they are likely a doppelganger, locate the gun and shoot. It's like, tell me what I already know.
Before we open.
Jacob, who the frick is this, Jacob?
Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Hold on,
I found
dude.
some goodies in the bathroom, though.
Wait for him to buy stuff, then we gotta check this guy, alright? Can't
Okay,
let this
remember,
guy
this is
slip
the
up.
database. This is the
We can't let
database.
this guy slide.
Hold on. Should I look him up?
No, Clyde.
Well now, you must be a new night clerk. Welcome to the graveyard shift, my friend.
What's up, dude?
Okay, Max.
It's probably a little daunting, huh? No worries, let me give you a rundown how it's done. First, scan my ID card on the counter.
Oh, he's giving me IRL tutorial. Alright, take that thing,
wait.
put a scan it.
No, you do it. I'm looking at the database. Hey, Max, I'm gonna tell you what he is. It says occupation sheriff. Often in uniform, usually wears glasses.
Hold on, let me inspect.
That looks,
Let me take a
that looks
closer
about
look.
right to me. Looks about right.
Jacob,
looks about right.
get your wiener out of his face, bro.
Sorry.
Let me take a closer
Sorry.
look. Usually in uniform, everything's looking good here. Does it look good?
Let me look at one more thing.
Jacob!
Okay, I think he's good. Scan him in. You go on here and you click one of these, and then it's like, what is it?
Occupation, often in uniform. Where's glasses? Hold on, let me ask him about his glasses.
No, you can ask him from here.
Oh.
Got him on, don't I?
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah,
he's
he's
good. I think he's good. He's
No,
good,
wait,
bro. Except the transaction with the register. Bang.
Look at that man walk, bro. Wait, he left without all his freaking stuff.
Oh.
Who do we have here?
He's blue full fit.
I think she's a nurse. She's wearing scrubs. Jacob, chill out. You're making her feel weird and stuff.
All right, bro.
What?
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.
You got it, bro.
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Her name is Bonnie. Bonnie! Big B? No, bro. No?
Hi there. Long night at the hospital.
Jacob, we got a customer. Jacob, shut up. We got a customer.
Hi there. Long night at the hospital. Just need to grab a few things at home.
All right. Let's get you. Bonnie McCree. That's a sick name, bro. Sounds like an Overwatch character. Bye, Jacob. Occupation nurse.
Nurse over at County General. It's been a long night.
Okay, you look good. Hold on. Jacob, go ahead. Give it a go ahead. Jacob.
Okay. Scan successfully. Bang. Bag.
No,
bag,
don't
bag,
take
bag.
her out, bro.
Hey,
Yo.
See ya.
What is this in a doppelganger?
See ya. Thank you.
Where's she
Hold on,
even
I gotta show
going,
these
bro?
I gotta show these customers what I'm about.
Jacob, this is not Minecraft parkour housings, bro. Who the frick is this?
Oh wait, shipment. W
shoot,
shipment.
bro.
Wait. Tap in.
Open that sucker up.
Gotta open it. W's. All right, what we got?
Jacob, my guess is it's a bunch of bacon.
Oh, he's backing in.
Yo,
Yo, bear traps.
Yo, he's just
Wait,
going off just like that, bro. Thank you, bro. Phone. Jacob, you're gonna kill somebody.
No. W.
Jacob, you're just
We're
gonna kill an
answer
average
it,
person, bro.
Answer it.
Jacob, oh shoot, drop it.
Hey man, I'm just down the road from your store. My car won't start. I really need a hand getting it running again.
Come on, hey, Jacob.
What?
Jacob, you gotta go down the road and help this guy. He needs help with his car.
Oh, okay. I'll go.
All right, Jacob, good luck, bro. Jacob, do you need a bear trap?
No. Close it. Lock it down.
Jacob, there's nothing there. What are you screaming about?
What do you mean there's nothing there? Max, he's out there, bro.
My character says,
gone.
what the frick was that?
Okay.
Hold on, John just walked in. John just walked in.
Hey man, just grab stuff real quick. No big deal.
Hey,
His hair looks normal.
Jacob, you're threatening the entity. The entity. Back off.
How do you know it's an
Jacob,
entity?
Jacob, I don't like the look of this.
What?
Jacob, take a look.
Really?
That's some bullcrap.
Let me look.
That's some bullcrap if I've ever seen it.
Wait, is this not? I haven't seen the IDs before.
Holy
okay.
crap. Yo, welcome in, ma'am. Pick anything you want.
Jacob, we gotta clean up the blood, Jacob. They're gonna think we're murderers, bro. Jacob, go clean up the blood. Jacob, clean up the
Freaking block.
Fast, Jacob, fast. Yeah. Good stuff, Jacob. Quick. Speed up.
Hey there. Oh,
Jacob,
Max.
What? She's risen you up, bro.
She said, "Hey there, cutie."
Jacob, there's somebody outside.
Hey.
There's somebody over there, bro.
You like what you see? Careful, staring too long can make me blush. Okay. Yo.
Jacob! Jacob! She was... What is wrong with you, bro?
That's my bad. I got too hyped. I got too hyped, bro. She was rizzing me up, and I was fiddling with my hands. I pulled out the gun and shot her.
Yo.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. We gotta clean this up, bro.
You know, Jacob, that's all you,
no.
bro. I already got the body
What's that?
parts, bro. Jacob, they're gonna come to the counter and be like, what's all this blood about? What's all this blood about? You having a laugh?
That's my bad. That's my bad.
Hey, good evening. Just grabbing a few things. We're heading back on the road. All right, what's up, bro? Kevin Larson. Jacob, check him out. Check him out. Check him out. On the computer. Check him out. He's like 6'8", bro.
I work in insurance. Claims mostly. It's not exactly exciting, but it pays my bills.
There you go, bro.
Yeah, he does
Do what
work
you
in
gotta do.
insurance, okay. Often inform you later. Dress shirt and a tie. Always professional.
Okay.
Wait. Formal wear. Yep. Tall. Yep. He's looking good. He's looking
He's
good.
looking good, bro. I got you, bro. Let me bag this up for you right away, sir. Visitor. You have a great day, sir.
There he goes. He's on his way.
Jacob,
Didn't even
Jacob,
check
you
the
see that,
groceries.
buddy?
All right.
We cleaned it up in time. They didn't even know what they saw. No blood on the floor.
I'm gonna get the shelves restocked. With the police force.
It's like Resident Evil, bro. Jacob.
Resident
Jacob.
nice and kind.
Jacob, I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy, okay? I'm gonna need you to get a little trappy. The code word trap, bro. Jacob, I'll handle the
Max.
customers you stock up.
Max, I'm having too much fun right now.
Make it quick. I've got NET business to deal with. Okay. This dude's signature just sucks. Sorry. Scan successful. What do you got? Occupation net. Well, the reason those doppelgangers haven't ripped you apart yet, you should be grateful. Hey, bro. Hey. Hold on. Hold on. Standard issue. You don't need to know more than that. This guy's not telling me. Jacob, chill out, Jacob. This guy's not telling me anything.
He's not?
I'll play. He's being super. He's gatekeeping
Do you need me
his
to check
info,
him out?
bro.
Do you need me to check him out?
Yeah, go ahead. Come here. Scan him, Jacob. Scan him. Is he good? Is he good?
Hold on. Let me. He's looking all right.
Okay.
All right, Ryan Holt. All right, Ryan Holt. You're good.
All right, bro. You have a good day, sir. Your
Oh,
shift
I
is
got
done.
an
Clean
achievement.
up any messes. Head to the bus. Jacob, we're done.
Dude, Max.
Okay,
what
Jacob,
do
we gotta
do?
leave. We gotta go back to the bus stop. Hold on. Let's put this back in the. Oh shoot. I guess I get to keep this thing. Jacob?
Hello.
Oh, we play a blue bus.
Jacob, chill out. Let's go. Head home.
Let's go.
Perfect execution, man. Come on. End of night report. $30. 85 freaking bucks, bro. Come on.
We didn't kill any humans.
Jacob, you did injure that poor lady.
No.
Okay. Wait.
The lady I shot was a doppelganger. Wait, Max, the one I shot as a bit was correct.
Let's get an applause for that, man. Let's get an applause for that. Next shift,
He
Jacob.
was
Let's do
calling me-
this. It's a new night. Check the notice board.
Watch
Come
this
on,
new
Jacob.
strat, bro.
What? You said new strat? Let's check the notice board. Let's see what's
I know
up.
what I'm doing today. Hey.
Pay attention to any info you're given at the start of the day. The midnight news: Joe's Diner burnt down. Locals are shaken. Joe Bart Diner burned down. What? Once beloved Joe's Diner has been burnt down in what appears to be an act of arson yesterday. Jacob?
Again. Yes! Yes! Again.
Jacob, you gotta check this board back here, Jacob.
Locals are shaking the ones. Oh, God.
Who do we got? Who's our customer?
Shoot.
What does she
Shoot,
want?
we
She
gotta
wants
get behind the
plants?
counter. Don't
Jacob,
follow
she
her,
wants
that's
plants.
weird.
Jacob, she wants
Don't follow
plants.
her, that's weird, bro.
No, she wants plants. Jacob, you're scaring the crap out of her, Jacob.
Dude, no, I'm swift with it, bro. Dude, I'm already learning the mechanics, bro. Like,
Jacob, chill out. Just grabbing some supplies for my 30th birthday. Big one, you know? She's spending it alone? Poor lady.
Bro, she is tall.
Kara Hastings. Okay.
Kara Hastings, I'll check her out. All right,
Yeah,
her-
go
not like that.
ahead and give it the rundown.
She's unemployed. Yep. Okay. She did tattoos. Okay. Wait. There's a new tab on the computer.
What?
Max.
Max. Shop. Explosives, Jacob. This is dangerous. Don't give us that, bro.
Wait, Max.
What?
Low key. Should we hit a refresh? Because you can hit two free refreshes in the bottom right.
Yeah. What? Refresh.
I want something crazy. Wait. Check her out first.
Okay.
We don't. She can't be.
Sorry,
single
ma'am. Sorry to delay you for your birthday today.
Hold on.
Happy
I
birthday.
gotta- we
Happy
gotta have a
birthday.
new post-
Who the frick is this?
That's not me. That's not me. That's not
I
me.
know, Jacob. What does he freaking do, bro? Kill him. Jacob, kill him. Clean it up, Jacob. Clean it up.
Max, you go to the register. I got it. I got it. Go to the register.
Hello, ma'am. Jacob, this lady's like a zombie. She's been eating like blood burgers. Good evening. Uneventful night, I hope. No, bro. It's been crazy in here, bro. I'm still thinking straight most of the time. All right. Hello,
Wait,
man.
I gotta get the shipment.
Anita
Get the
Varma.
shipment.
Let's see. Often has bags under your eyes. That checks out. Hair dyed dark red. Oh no, I thought that was like brown. No, she does have dark. Jacob, what
Hello,
the frick
what
am
can I
looking
do
at?
for you?
Jacob.
Wait, why is she a zombie?
No, I think she's good, bro. And what does she have in her shirt? Hold on.
Did you check the
Close.
database?
Are you talking about the stain? It's nothing. I just spilled some coffee this morning. That looks like blood, bro. I think she's good though.
I don't know, man. Hold on, I'm gonna restock the shelves. You gotta take care of this one.
Okay. Wait, can I just like look it up? What does that do?
Max, I really want to put down one of these bear traps, bro. Like really bad.
Jacob, we have to wait on that, okay? All right. I think you're good, man. Is she good? Does she like kill us if we're wrong?
I don't know.
It's like, okay. She has no idea where she's going.
Evil.
What's up, dude?
Holy! Hey, do you know where I can get that leave-in conditioner in the purple bottle this late? My wife Bonnie used to use it every morning. I asked her to grab it.
We met Bonnie. Richard McCree. Yeah, wait. We met this guy's wife.
I don't know. He's asking where we could get the conditioner. I don't know if we have it.
That's a good question. I don't know if we have it either. No condition. Okay. No, he's looking the wrong way, bro. Sir, turn around. Bro, this dude has jack squat, bro. What about clothes?
Wait, hold on.
Long day at work. He's avoiding my questions, bro. This guy, I don't know, bro.
Is he Dr. Sus Bolas?
I don't know.
I don't know,
Hold on.
Max. I'm jiggle peeking outside, though.
Hey, man, I'm too tired to be at Jacob. He's dodging, bro. Hold on. Limbs. Jacob, kill this guy. He's dodging.
He's dodging.
Bear trap him. See what's up.
Bear trap him?
Tell him the story. that everyone must be told.
Gotta hit him with the flank.
Jacob, he can't see you coming, bro.
Clean it up quick. I gotta close this, by the way. They're gonna get in through the back gate.
Jacob, you left it open the whole time?
Dude, this guy is mustard and ketchup, man, bro.
Jacob, this guy's getting closer, Jacob.
What guy?
Come out here.
Hold on.
This guy's been getting closer ever since the start of the game, dude. Get out here now.
Okay, go talk to the dude then.
Look at that guy out there.
What guy?
At the end of the fence.
Should I kill him?
You can try.
I'm 360.
Good job, Jacob. Good job. He's gone.
No, I don't think that's what we wanted.
What the frick is happening, bro? Hey, man, tired from a long shift at the local diner, probably. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Brandon Keller. Why does this guy look like he's been deep fried in a vat of butter?
We can't keep this door open, Max.
Okay. Ends most sentences with probably. Let's see about that. Got all my parts at the right spots, probably. Checks out. Feels probably a long day, you know. Doesn't check out. Still my uniform, just clocked out a couple hours ago. Pirate hat. Jacob, are you gambling on the spot?
No. I was getting the shipment. He works at Joe's.
Dude, but look. Wait a minute. Jacob, he's an imposter. Jacob, kill him. On this newspaper, it says it was burned down yesterday night. How could he have been in a shift today?
You hear that?
What?
I heard someone go,
I didn't hear crap.
Hello, have you ever heard your middle name?
Jacob, what if our report comes back, we just killed like every human ever?
Max, I heard someone, bro. I swear I heard someone.
You're thinking of stuff, Jacob.
Oh my god, that dude scared me, bro. He spawned in.
Jacob, he's the most normal dude ever, and you're scared of this guy?
Dude, Max, I feel like they're not gonna wait to be crazy till they get to the register one of these times.
Let's see, bro. Let's see. Ricky, how's that gas station grind treating you? Pretty good, bro. I'm out here making moves while you're still stuck in the rat race. All right, dude. Jacob, do you want to kill this guy just cuz? Jacob, no! I was joking. Ricky Lawson.
I'm always ready to defend my frickin' buddies. Hold on.
Jacob, look at this dude's signature. Look at this guy's signature. Jacob! Rickatron 3000.
He could just be a jock that's terrible at everything, though.
He's muscled up, bro. 2 packs of cookies. Uh-oh.
Switching it up tonight.
Jacob, I only see 1 pack of cookies.
Wait, usually buys exactly 2 packs of cookies. He said switching it up tonight.
While that's possible, I don't know if I trust it.
Max, come here.
What's up?
Give him the 360 no-scope legend trance. Technology. Oh. Get him! Kill him! Let's shoot.
Jacob,
Right
why'd you
outside,
shoot him, bro?
really?
Jacob, why'd you shoot him? Why'd you shoot him?
You did it, bro.
What? Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, that's Jacob. Your mopping scared the crap out of me. You let one doppelganger complete its transaction earlier in the night. What?
What?
They have altered the entities. They will arrive at Jacob, we got trap. Lay traps. All right, Jacob, come on.
Okay.
Come on. What the frick is that noise, bro?
Emergency! Max, go to the storage room.
I'm laying crazy
load out.
traps.
Fully load out. There's only one.
I put one down, Jacob. We're okay.
Okay.
Barricade. Come on.
Where's the barricade? What? Oh.
Jacob, we got this, Jacob. Come on.
6 siege.
Dude, I didn't know.
Max, you got your gun?
Yeah.
I got
Let's
2.
go.
Get two. I'm ready.
Locked in, Jacob. Locked in,
Where
bro.
are we going?
I don't freaking know. No, Jacob, we got back to each other. Hold on. Come here. Right here. I'll look this way. You look the other way.
Oh my god.
Yeah! We trap it?
No.
Oh my gosh, he's breaking down the whole thing.
Go back, check this out. Zoom.
Jacob, no jump trick shot.
Get the back out.
Yo!
Where'd it go?
Let's go, Jacob. Come on.
Let's freaking go.
Come on,
Freaking
Jacob.
Go.
Shift is done. Let's go, bro.
Okay,
That's what
we
I'm
gotta
talking
clean up the
about,
mess,
man.
bro. How did that thing leave like no blood behind?
Hey, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my
We're actually,
god.
no, Jacob, we're actually techie with it, bro.
Oh
Come on
my
now.
god, bro.
Come on now.
Hold on.
We gotta take it. I don't want to just like kill a random customer randomly.
Hold on. I'm just trying to help everyone out.
Okay, that's good advice.
Alright, let's go.
W freaking shift, Jacob. Let's get this buddy.
Wait, what about that dude behind the building, bro?
He's not coming back, bro. I scared him off, bro. Scared him off big style. Adam Knight report. Oh, that's just so good.
Okay. Oh.
Oh shoot.
Wait, who did we kill? That was not a doppelganger.
Ricky. We killed Ricky.
Ricky,
why'd you gotta switch it up?
Ricky,
why'd you gotta switch it up? Dude, we were with it, bro.
Oh, click next shift,
dude,
bro.
Jacob, for Richard McCree, asked for a hair product for his wife. Searching where it revealed she is bald. Hey, bro, next shift. Let's get it, bro. Let's go.
Click in there quick. Notice board, what's going on?
Some contractors came up, finally fixed the gas pump. Along with your current duties, you also need to help drivers by pumping gas in their cars. Naturally, you must also detect if they are doppelgangers. Read the note by the phone. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Shoot,
dude, this is a good game.
This is a very good game.
Hey, let me pump.
Don't hey,
Yo,
bro.
Oh, sorry.
Spotting a doppelganger drivers. Ask them how you can help. Use this flashlight to search the car for suspicious items. Look up their license plate in the device to your right. Question them on these topics. If their store doesn't line up, you're permitted to open fire. You are not a cop. Ignore normal crimes. Only act on doppelganger threats. Jacob, read this. Read this.
I'm not a cop.
I'm not a cop.
Coming, buddy. Enter car's license plate.
Oh my gosh,
Right.
Jacob is pulling up.
Driving up. I got him. You run
Chloe,
the
please,
store,
car.
bro.
Go.
I got him.
Yeah, handle it.
Hey, what's up? License plate. Who remembers their license
Tell me
plate?
it. Tell me it.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Slow down.
04LJ. 04LJ.
Oh, wait. No. On this thing. Hold on. Ready? 19 expires 19. Hold on. Expires 1994. Blue station wagon. Dirt marks on lower exterior. Details updated weekly. Hey, I think he looks good, bro. Jacob, you gonna fill him up?
Check this front.
You gonna fill him up?
Oh, let me check the back. All right.
Bro. Whoa.
Back seat. All right, let me get in. All right, let me get in.
Jacob, he has a bunch of guns.
Wait.
No, I think those are a bunch of weapons. Yeah.
Oh!
No, ask him about that, bro.
Let me talk to you about something.
Hold on. Let me get my
Don't act like
flashlight.
that's surprising anymore. I need to protect myself. I know dang well you've got a stash of guns somewhere in that store. Hold on a minute. Clothes? What's going on with my clothes? You mean take pleasure in asking stupid questions?
I don't know anybody that keeps a whole CS:GO loadout in their car, bro.
I'm gonna be honest. Besides the guns, he's chilling.
Dude, that's a whole CS:GO loadout.
Dude, I know, but that's W, bro. Like, I be doing that too.
Okay. Is he good? You want to pump him? Yeah,
I think
pump
I'll
him up.
How do I?
Jacob. Jacob, I don't think that's happening.
Are you good? Oh, wait. How may I help you? Give me 13 on unleaded. Oh, okay. Here we go.
Bill to $13 exactly, Jacob. Come on. No more, no less.
Dude, I'm scared, bro. These Float Me Please blue imposters
Bingo.
just be doing this,
Bingo.
bro.
All right,
If I
you
tell
can leave,
what,
sir.
more times. Bingo.
You're good, bro.
All right, so you may leave. Took you long enough.
Wow. What's with the sass? Jacob's analyzing. Hold on. Who's this guy?
Let's talk to this frickin'
I can
dude.
see his butt crack through his shorts.
Okay, his signature looks kind of chill. He's just got a little Tommy. What's his frickin' name? Tommy Boxes? Just Tommy.
But he's got a
Wait,
shirt
Tommy,
on there.
No last name.
What?
Wait, no. He's got a last name. I asked him alive. He said I got nothing to say about that.
Whoa. Hold on.
Is that what they usually say?
I'm asking about his clothes. Yeah, I know it's just really hot. Let me grab some. It's nighttime. Everybody else is wearing clothes. You got to put a shirt on when you're in my store, little boy.
Hold on. Let me inspect some. Okay. Want to open your mouth really quick? I think he's fine. I don't know.
Okay. You have a good night, boy.
Let him go. Let him go.
You have a good night, bro.
Let him go.
Yo!
Max?
Double it up and give it back to us.
Talk to him as quick as you can. Talk to him as quick as you can.
Come here.
No, the other dude.
Oh.
Oh no, we definitely just let him go. Oh no. What?
Oh! My gosh, dude, this scared me.
Max?
What?
Someone opened a door.
Who?
There's a rat!
Jacob! Dude.
Hold on, what did he say?
Dude, it's the same thing. Oh my gosh, that last
I'm
dude was
alive, but
imposter.
it's all
That
right.
last dude was imposter.
How do you know?
Dude, he's giving like for real answers.
No, he's not, bro. His date of birth, he says, I don't know what to say about this still. And alive,
What?
he said, I would say I'm alive, but it's all about perspective.
What the frick is this guy talking about? Being deep for no reason.
It, bro? Which one was it, bro? Max, I think we gotta gamble. Do we kill him?
Yeah.
All right. Max, distract him.
Hey, sir, can I ask you one question?
Take this all off. Max.
What?
Store generator.
Uh-oh. Jacob, fix that immediately. There we go.
I'm terrified. I'm
Jacob, we got a bunch of bullcrap this time from the thing.
Max! Max!
Jacob, I see it.
W painting.
Hold on.
Max, we both
Hold on.
gotta hit him with a headshot at the same time.
Trick.
Come here.
What a loser. Get fooled, you freaking buddy. Freaking hashtag outplay, bro. Hashtag outplay.
Wait, that was a crazy outplay.
Wasn't that crazy?
Max, I feel like we did something like mega incorrect earlier.
Yeah, we definitely did. Hold on, we got a lad out here that wants gas. What's up, dude? Hello, sir. What, bro? How may I help you? Wait, license plate. Match registry. It's worn down car, but it's still legal. 3J4Z. Let's see, buddy. 1987 station wagon. Jacob, did you close the door?
No.
Jacob, did you close the door?
Door to what?
Jacob, it closed on its own.
Which door?
This door.
Oh, the big door? Yeah.
Clean exterior, rusted front wheels. All checks out. A little run down, but it's my baby. Okay, this guy swears by this vehicle. Closed. Oh, sorry, I've been able to wash them for a while. Hold on, let me inspect.
Dude, it is looking pimpy in here.
Dude, this guy's car is made out of like meat.
Good. Sorry.
Bro,
That's
take a
gotta be
look.
Dude, he's an imposter. That's
Kill him. Easy, bruh. Yo! Yo!
What?
Yo! Yo, shit, bro, no. He's getting it, bro. Yo.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Don't even test this man, bro.
Don't let him in the back room. Okay.
Don't even test this man, bro. Get everything you need right there, bro.
Dude, this is legendary. Oh wait.
I never knew somebody could do that. Jacob, you serve that man. You serve that man up.
Ay buenas noches, amigo. Don't mind me. These feet won't stop moving, baby. Okay. Hold
Keep
on.
it moving, bro.
Hold on. Let me see it. Max, get this bear trap out of here.
What? Oh.
It's still there.
Wait, Jacob,
Okay.
I need to make a little edit of him. Hold on, right?
Come check this signature.
What?
Come check this signature.
Bro.
He just drew himself.
I can't even hate on that, man. I would do that.
What's his name?
Esteban Morales.
Worked long years of construction. Now I dance.
I could
Retired
see that,
construction worker.
Esteban.
Yep, very short. Yep.
This dude's got crazy lubed up joints, bro.
Born in 1933, 6 years, still moving like I'm 20.
Ooh.
I think he's good.
I think he's legit, bro. I think he's legit.
That's the most legit dancing I've ever seen. I don't even care about the signature.
Check this
That's
young man
top.
out. Check this young man out.
Do you think the signature is enough to be like?
Dude, I think
my
he's
God.
good, bro. We get the sheriff coming back.
Oh, the sheriff's come back. Okay. He's got the glasses on. He's got the uniform. Yeah, I think he's chilling.
Which one?
Getting the shipment ready.
Hey, I'm back.
What's up, Clyde?
How's the new job working out for you?
Pretty good, man.
Well, you're still alive. You're doing better than most.
We've been here for like 3 days, bro.
Proud of you, kid. Not many are willing to take a job that's dangerous. Your job's as dangerous as mine, but you don't get the same respect I do. Well, you've got my respect if that means anything to you.
Thanks, bro. Clyde, you look pretty good. Tough to wear his glasses. I think this guy's good. Jacob, what are you doing? I think he's good.
Oh, wait.
Oh, whoa. I'm like
Max?
checking security cameras. What the?
Yeah, what?
Hey, who are you? Back away! Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, Jacob, is Clyde dead? Yo! Did you get him? Did you get him?
No.
You went Lama de Baber.
Yep,
Complete
not
transaction.
good.
Oh,
Not good.
shoot, bro. I knew it was that shirtless dude. Okay, Jacob, board it up, lock in.
Wait, hold on. I'm like low-key letting a shipment in. I don't know if this is a good idea.
Jacob, are you serious? Wait, no, we got time,
Do we?
That's all?
That's all I ordered. Okay, out of here. Yep, close
Jacob,
it.
load it up. Jacob, load it up.
Where do I put it? Where do I put it?
Jacob, you bought it.
Oh, okay. All right, we're good. We're good.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Max, they could come from the...
The little baby! Little baby's running around!
He's over here!
Yo!
There's so many of them!
No! No! No!
I killed
Thank you, thank you, thank you. He's gone, he's gone, he's gone. Let's go, bro, let's go.
We did it.
Come on,
We did
man. Let's frickin' go,
God,
Jacob.
Bro, we can't be messing up like that, though.
Let's go, bro.
All right, I'm gonna restock all the shelves. You get all the blood and the stuff.
Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh. Jacob, we gotta do something about these rats, bro.
I got racks. I got racks. Wait, Max.
What?
Before we leave, hold on. I gotta stock these shelves really quick. Hold on. One more shelf right here. Before we leave, one more for the road, baby. Give it some good.
Hat. Traffic car. Are you kidding me?
Get that on, Max. Actually, no, I got it.
Yeah, you got that, Jacob. Let's go. Dude, today's revenue $99. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I'm having a laugh.
Jade was the it was the first Tommy. Oh no, he
shoot.
died. No, he died to the frickin' funny money.
Yeah, killed. Yeah. Oh,
Hey,
finished
bro,
demo.
I would return to that.
That was mad good. Alrighty, y'all. Well, if y'all enjoyed that playthrough of Shift at Midnight Multiplayer, you'd like to see us if you'd like to see us return to the full game, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. Comment your favorite timestamp, and I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.
Hello, buddy.
Siri, activate climbing mode.
What's the magic word?
Bubbles.
Okay.
Let's beat White Knuckle. Hello everybody, my name is 3FS. Welcome back to White Knuckle. Now, hopefully this is the last episode. Now, I gotta address something before this video starts. Now, in my last video, it seems I have made a critical error. Let me address the allegations in the room, alright?
Did he just say the A word?
If you go to my last video and check the comments, it seems like, oh no, did 3FS have a little slip up? Did 3FS have a little slip up? Did he cuss?
Yep.
Why don't we see? Why don't we see? Bro, tickle me then kick me, bro. Just put me in a box and shit me. This is, I say shit. Shit. Tickle me then kick me. Put me in a box, then ship me. People are losing their, you would have thought there's a meteor headed straight towards Earth in the comments. Yeah, pal, I thought we were family friendly. Volley video. Apology video needed. Guys, I want you to think about this for 3 seconds. When you put something in a box, what's one of the things you could do once you put something in a box? Hold on, this game's like the world's loudest game ever. Hold on. Do you proceed to crap out yourself? No! You ship it! With a P! Alright, bro, I'm digging a hole. I'm digging a hole too deep. I'm digging a hole too deep. Sorry, I apologize. Activated climbing mode. I'm sitting here ranting. But for those of you, if you need a little recap from last episode, we got through silos, we got through pipeworks, and then we got through the area. I don't know what it's called. But I ended up in this room where there's some little teeth. I made, I think, about 1,800 meters up, and I stinking died. I stinking died because I grabbed a little thing, but I'm back at the little section where the little dark monster with the flare gun. I need to use it. Let's load it back up. Let's put this to rest. Habitation. Here we are. Let's put it to rest. All right, now. No lives remaining. Good luck. Shoot, bro. That's where it gets real. How many, okay, I got 11 roaches. That's all I need for purchase. And I can't buy 2 of these. I can't buy 2 discs. What a weird game this is. They'd make so much money off of me if they did that. Now, do I have my climbing speed still? Oh, I do. I've been playing the game a little bit off camera, you guys. You could say I'm the best at the game now. Like, legitimately. Like, you could say I'm ridiculously good at this game now. Put that in slot Q. And if I somehow manage to make it back to the next zone without dying, I'll see you guys there. I'll see you guys in, let's say, 20 seconds. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I did that. Little boy's not catching me, little boy's, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did the first frick. Let's frickin' go, bro. Ooh, I did it once, I could do it again, man, come on. All right, I'm out. Just as nerve-wracking as the first time. That was the last bit of ammo I had too, and I found a little gift in there. All right, now, okay, they changed the layup on me a little bit. Oh my gosh, my heart is still beating like crazy. I thought I would have had that after playing the game so much. Bro, yikes, man. All right, let's get back up to that area. I need to find some goodies. I don't have any rebar. I don't have any pythons. This layout's a little bit more difficult than I remember. All right, now I think when it came to that area, where I messed up is I just maybe didn't look around enough. I don't know. It doesn't help that they're playing like world-ending music right now. I'd love to focus, but like, no. They surely don't expect me to do that, right? All right, let's just do it. Here we are. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm so scared. I've done this before. I've all been here before. I'm just so high off the ground. Can I continue to... No, there's like no obvious way to go up. It has to be in here. Now, I have no lives. If I mess this up. I don't think there's anywhere else for me to go, truly. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna be very ticked off if there's absolutely nothing else I can do in this area.
Containment failure. Structure.
I know one thing's for sure. I am not going in that room again. This is new. Where? All right. Hey, maybe I wasn't supposed to get it last episode. Maybe this time I was... No way, dude. I know what those lasers are. Those are stinking weapons, bro.
Emergency.
Low gravity zone.
Interface core is malfunctioning.
Okay, hold on. How good are these fellers at the game? Is it aimbot good, or is it like turret, Portal 2 turrets? Portal 2 turrets, you can like knock them over, like, oh, they start like spraying everywhere. I'm nervous. There's only one way to find out. He is a little bit stupid. Look at him over there. He can't see me. There's one way to find out. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, bro. I'm scaring the crap out of myself, bro. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? All right, hold on. Ready? Sneak attack. All right, hold on. This is gonna be some movie level stuff. He doesn't have the average. Okay, I didn't think the low gravity was gonna, like, start working right there. Sneak attack part 2. Welcome to the world, young boy. That was almost bad. He almost turned around and gave me, like, straight 3 bullets. What is that? What is that? What is that? It's like a little space helmet. Okay, wait, where's the next turret at? Is it there? Oh, that dude, like, can't even see me at all. What's up, buddy? Okay, that's fine. I'm fine with that.
Caution. Unexpected chemical reaction in Lab C5. Fume hoods are compromised. Proceed under level 3 safety protocols.
What is she talking about? Yo! Yo! I should really start watching playthroughs of the game before I do. There is nothing I want to do more right now than make a circular hole through the thing that is called the computer monitor. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's so bad. Alright, I'll see you guys back there. Alright, y'all. We're back here. I was able to make it back here in 2 attempts. I had a really stupid death on my first run in Silos. Go ahead and play that. I'd gotten jump boost, so I just tapped my noggin on the ceiling. But I have a little something to show you guys. If you look here, I got 2 discs. Now, you're not able to get 2 discs normally, but there's a little temporary upgrade you can get in Silos where I was able to get a disc, so I'm putting that sucker in there. I'm making a save. This is a good place to save. Hey, let's do it. Sweet. Now, it caught my eye. I think I get 2 more backups. I think I get 2 more backups with this yellow disc. All right, I'll see you guys back at that other area. Max, go ahead and let it rip. And we're back, baby. Only 2 tries, man. Let's frickin' go. Now, I have that backup saved. I have 3 more chances. I'm feeling a lot better about this run. I'm just not even gonna think about what I just crossed over and they did, like, the red obliteration beam, bro. That joke was ridiculous. All right, let's do it. Now, hopefully they don't give me that spawn with that bullcrap room again. They do it like a new spawn every single time. Don't give me that crap, bro. Let me get to the turret room. The turret room is, like, actually at least, like, a little fun. With, like, low gravity. Give me, like, a little low gravity energy. I'm liking that, bro. Oh my gosh. Whoa. What the frick is happening to me? My vision like went all gray and stuff, like I was dying. Okay, here we are, we're back. Alright, it's the same loadout as before. Alright, let's do a little round 2, shall we? Sneak attack on young man right here. Quick attack on young man part 2. Interesting, you didn't see it coming. I have a little play I'm gonna make here. Ready? See this angle. Look at this angle. Look at this read. Oh my. Alright, no. They're gonna do that barrier, so I cannot fail here. Okay, just be steady, Attack from under. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Alright, let's go.
Reminder. Mole people is a derogatory term. Do not use it to refer to deep substructure maintenance.
Why did they turn off the gravity, man? Stop doing that! The game will catch it. Oh my gosh, it's rising. Holy crap. Let's go now. I can still hear the laser, bro. It's gonna keep coming. Oh my gosh, bro. I hate this, bro. We got this guy again, man. I don't know what to do. With this thing, and it's gonna kill me. Okay. Alright, we got another disc. I'll take it gladly. Alright, bro. I don't know what to do here. This is freaking me the frick out. What do we got here? I'm going to rescue my team. Yo! Hey! Dude, oh my gosh, it's like I'm playing FNAF, bro. It's like I gotta keep an eye on him. Okay. Alright, FNAF brain. Activated. I'm going back in to rescue my team. I'll never forgive myself if I don't. If I find them, I'll bring them home even if I die up here. Alright, I was hoping for, here's how to counteract the floating hands. That's what I was hoping to read right there. Get the frick back! Alright, we got a little stem. I may do it again. Alright. Now, what the frick do I do up here about this? I don't know what to do about this. Okay, that's the room I died in that one time. I'm not going in there. That is quite possibly the worst mechanic ever in a game. I can't hammer it! I can't... Alright, 2 lives remaining. That's better than 0. Always be grateful, everybody. Always be grateful. Sold out! I thought they were gonna let me double it up and give it back to me. Alright, bro. With no stinking items, bro? Oh my gosh. Just kick me in the nuts at this point, bro. That'll probably feel better than this. I'm gonna need to really think about what to do there. I wanna... It's taken everything in me not to, like, look up on YouTube how to cook. Like, what is that? What do I gotta do? Do I gotta make my way through the vents without getting grabbed from behind, looking behind me and all that bullcrap? I couldn't even go up right there. How do I avoid the grabbing hand? This dude's talking about water polo techniques. How do I prevent wrist grabs? I'm good, man. I'm good. Now, wait a minute. Hold on. I have a theory. There were 2 hands. Is there a good hand and a bad hand? Because the thing on the wall says when it grabs, don't let go. I don't know if that's a troll, like Emily wants to play. It'll like tell you to like do the bad thing, which will lead you to get killed. Is there a good hand and a bad hand and you want to get grabbed by the good one? I don't know. I'm back at the same spot I was at on my first spawn. Let me guess, that's the bad room, yeah? Yeah. No thanks. I'm not going in there. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I skipped the whole... Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I think I got past it. I think I got past it. Yes, and then this leads me to the area that I was at already. Oh my gosh, they're making me stretch. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that's bad. Come on, bro. Holy crap, no way, did I do that? You're supposed to make your way through without getting grabbed. Oh my gosh, I think that's what you're supposed to do. No. Okay, wait, hold on. Uh-oh. Okay, I need a python. Oh. I'm very thankful for the game doing that. At least they give you what you need right there. Like, thank you. Oh my. Alright, here we go with this bull crap again. Yo! I just walked in on like the nuclear reactor.
Dismemberment rates among personnel in new object duty.
Dismemberment? What is she talking about? 5%? That's not even bad. I'll go ahead and do this with ease. Alright, no, alright, pretty sorry. Are you guys ready for the random element that nobody could ever predict ever? This looks frickin' sick. Let's go, bro. Now, if you fall in there, you get turned into atoms. Not happening to me, bro. Avoiding, avoiding. Hold on. Let me guess they're gonna do that crap with the, no, I can do this, I can do this. Horrible aim. Make it to the top, I make it to the top. Oh my gosh, how easy was that? Catch here. Perform jump. Execute Operation Double Trouble. Alright, what do we got going on right here? What is this? What is that? What is that? Did I just like... Okay. I can't be like doing stuff like that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are we gonna go back in the vents? Don't fall down there.
Contamination risk is elevated. Clean all instruments thoroughly between experiments.
The hand. Gosh darn it, bro. Here we go with this crap. Oh, of course I'm back here, dude. No. Breathe, Max, breathe, 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 breathe. I just have to catch him. I just have to catch him. What always gets me is there's no place to save, bro. Okay, I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. Why am I going down? I don't know. I just want to get out of here. Watch it. Watch it. Up. 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 It says up. Spot it. Can't fool me. You can't fool me. Let's go. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm so nervous. Let's go! Come on, bro. I knew you could do that. I knew you could do that. Get up, get up, get up. Alright, do I keep going up? I probably do. Alright. Come on, man, come on! I don't have any more pythons. Oh my gosh, this is horrific. I may have to go searching. I may have to go searching. I just need one, bro. One python, bro. Yes, yes. Alright, just go back, just go back. That's all I need to do. Come on! All I need to do is go back. Dude, this is so bad. I found one python, but to get to where I need to use one python. Are you kidding me? What are those odds? Oh my gosh, this game's ticking me off more than it's scaring me. Alright, come on. Let's just find one more python. This game's ticking me the frick off, man. Oh my gosh, wait, did I make it back? Oh my gosh, I did. Oh my gosh, I did. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my gosh. Alright, come on. Spot him, bro. Spot him. Go right there. I got aimbot, buddy. I got freaking aimbot! This game's scaring the crap out of me. Let's go. Come on. That's all I needed. Come on. What's up, Rob? I gotta drop you, buddy. I'm getting too heavy. I'm getting too thick. Oh! Okay, never mind. I can't go over there. Are you kidding me? To keep going, I need to find another python. Wow. And this is the shaft I couldn't climb up. Oh my gosh, I need to keep looking. What are the odds, bro? What are the odds? Alright, now... Alright, it's just nothing but badness down there, bro. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. No way! No way! Get in! Booyah! Let's go, man. Who's in the frickin' lobby? Type it in the comments. Who's in the frickin' lobby? Come on, man. Big FS, big ups on the Mandem. Alright, bro. We're getting into some crazy stuff, bro. What am I looking at here? We got rituals going on and crap? I'm the biggest idiot known to man. I'm the biggest idiot known to man. I tried to put it back! Bro, you can't tell me this isn't worth like $1 trillion. Oh my gosh, and the one who ever went me. I'm so sorry, everybody. Bro. In the last video I said, In the last video I said I think I'm the brightest light bulb in the bathroom, bro. All the lights went out. I'm so sorry, everybody. Alright, it's okay, it's okay. We continue, we continue.
Emergency. Deep substructure. Containment systems failing. Rerouting auxiliary mainframe power to emergency seal.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Deterioration no longer under control.
What's going on?
Estimated time to total computational.
Yes. Yes.
Evacuate habitation.
Yes.
Release.
Alright, there's... I have one life. I have one life. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on, bro. Please. Please. Alright, come on. Alright, I can't upgrade. Alright, I might as well get another one. Might as well. Let's insert that in there. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright. Alright, alright. I don't know how the game works. Can I keep that in there and it saves that? Because I already put the disc in there, created a backup. That one will still be in there when I get back, yes? Alright. Once you're done with today's training shift, report to Chief Bryant down security offices. Transit down the lobby will be, comped. You have access to the codes you need for the sector facility you're assigned to. Gosh, bro, I'm sweating bullets, bro. I'm sweating bullets. What the frick are they doing in here, bro? To all travelers, this is the opinion of the entire staff that the substructure must be condemned and sealed for the sake of all mankind, or all that's left. If you make it to this landing, heed my words, do not break the seal to this structure. It may doom us all. Break the seal? Bro. See, with these games, it's like, you're doing them, your heart is racing, you can't think straight, and they throw all this lore at you, bro. Do not break the seal. Okay, alright, alright. Alright, bro. What we got up here, bro? Some rebar. I'll take. Oh, thick machine, bro. What do I want? I'll take some more rebar, man. You cannot go wrong with some rebar. Drop some bullets. I don't need that many. Okay, bro, I'm scared. I don't know what they're gonna throw at me. The reason why I keep on dying in these areas that I just blow by after doing them is because they catch me off guard. Alright, I'm locked in here, dude. Oh, the flashlight. I already got one of these suckers. Alright, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's stop wasting time. Let's go. I've been recording for an hour, 27 minutes. Come on. Where are we going? Holy moly, dude. This is gonna get so bad. This is what we do. Oh my gosh, it's telling me to get out. Okay. Alright, what do I gotta do? Oh my gosh, Max, slow the frick down. Okay, slow the frick down. I almost just lost the whole game right there.
Evacuation routes offline. Threat level existential.
Existential threat, bro. What the frick is going on, bro? Don't risk it, Max. Don't risk it. Just go as you can. I am terrified right now, bro. Of course they put some... Bro, stop. Oh my gosh. What do I do here? Do I make that jump? I think I do. What the frick, man? I'm so terrified. I'm so terrified right now. Yeah, I gotta make it over there. Abyss. Oh my gosh. Y'all think I make that jump to that ladder? Let's see. Bang. Alright, take it slow, Max. No need to fall right here. My stomach's queasy like I'm actually good, like I'm actually standing over some abyss.
Preset board overrides engaged.
What?
For operational
I can grab on these, right? I can grab on these, right?
Device located.
Let's test, hold on.
Rerouting primary mainframe
I
power
can't.
to substructure.
Okay, alright, what do I need to do? What do I need to do? What is the task at hand today? What do I need to do, man? Gosh, why is this the environment? This is so freaky, bro. Bro. Yo.
Dude, it's a giant freaking wiener with a face on it. He's coming for me, boo! Nah. You're having a laugh. What do I do? Oh my gosh, have mercy, have mercy. I know what I need to do. Just keep going forward, just keep going forward. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Come on, come on. Come on, Max. Let's go, come on. Bro, he's like fast, bro. I might start like... Okay, okay. Alright, bro. I don't know why he's like going over there now. He's like, he's doing a U-turn, bro. He's doing a U-turn. Oh my gosh, this is utter madness. It's like Thor's hammer! No way. Okay, wait, did I...
Emergency. Vital hazard classification 7 confirmed. Closest operational nuclear failsafe. Habitation line armed. Interlocks.
Holy crap. Holy crap. What the frick is happening? They just blew the whole place up. They're blowing everything up. I can't go anywhere. I can. I can still travel. I thought I was soft locked. Dead man's handle. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is unbelievable. I am crapping my pants as we speak, bro. He's not coming after me anymore, no? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I missed. Climb, boy, climb. Wow. I missed because it ran onto the wire? What is that? What is that? Alright, 2 lives remaining. I'll take that. No, let's put an end to this, bro. Let's do this. Was the gun, can the gun be used as a distraction? Distraction? Night distraction? Can it be used as a distraction? I'm good on stamina. I don't... Yo! Bro, this scared me more than anything else ever. Let's put an end to this, bro. I made it far. I can do it again. I know what I'm doing. I'm doing it. 2 lives. 2 lives is all I need. I would need 1. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. I'm made for this crap, bro. Misinput. Yo, oh my gosh, that's insanity. Why did it do that?
It's hard to pay attention to what she's talking to because I'm focused on... Yo, what the frick is that, bro? Get off of that immediately, bro. I just know that that's bad news. Oh my gosh. What the frick is that? No way! No way! Am I not hammering it? Oh my gosh. I'll see you tomorrow. And after that utter devastating loss, I was out. I was pooped. I took a break, came back, started to edit the beginning of this video, and I was just reminded of the utter bullcrappery this game threw my way. Like, what even is that? I should go find the game developer and punch him in the neck. But I ended up getting to bed, got a night of rest, and I came back fierce. I came back ready. Alrighty, y'all. Today's the day we do this. Alright, one life, let's do it. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I have enough to buy another disc. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a disc now, save it, create a save in that last area again, because I just know with my luck, I'm gonna die again. But yeah, we're gonna do that, put this here, grab the gun now. Now I'm gonna try something. With that abyss monster at the very end, I hypothesize that, I'm almost positive there's no way you can't use this gun against that guy. There's no way you can't. And as well as when I got there, when I was done, I did some training, and apparently these little spears, not this one in particular, the rebar you get, you can use them to propel yourself. If you face down and shoot one, you will shoot up. Same with this gun. I'll show you guys. Watch. Hold on. For example, I don't want to waste all my bullets, but look, watch. It works, bro. It works. I'm gonna save my ammo and get back to where I was, but yeah, I have all those movement options now. All right. Finally, we're back. We're back. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. All right, come on. Gosh. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. All right, let's use that disc. Let's prepare backup. Okay, so I just have to remember where this thing goes. Interesting. So if I shoot it back that way, I just have to click on it. It's like Thor's hammer. Ooh, and it propels me when I get it back, too. That used right could be crazy. Alright, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Let's go, come on! I was made for this, man, let's go. Y'all ready for this? I love this part. This part catches you off guard because the whole game you're climbing up. This game you're climbing, or this part of the game you're climbing forward, bro. That is so crazy. Like it's just something to throw another the curveball at you, man. All right, here comes with this bull crap. Oh my gosh, that. Yo! Bro, move! Move! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If I would've stayed there, I would've died anyway, because it would've been like Slithery-o, and it... Alright. That has gotta be the most ridiculous thing ever, bro. Maybe I should just stick to using the gosh darn spear, bro. What the frick was that, man? I swear I'm getting so unlucky. Alright, no. Skill issue, come on.
Oh my gosh, bro. I was afraid it was gonna do that. See, what is that? What is the luck that just hits me right there, man? Come on. Come on. Give me a break. Alright. We made it back to what is this called? The Abyss Gardens or whatever this is with all the goop and stuff on it. Dude, oh my gosh. I swear if I get picked up again and die, oh, I'm gonna be so livid. Alright, but I got 2 rebars. Let's do this. Come on. What's up, buddy? Good luck, Rob. Good luck, Rob. Did I just come over here for no reason? I legitimately can't go anywhere. Alright, so now they want to attack me. Now they want to attack me, bro. This game is frickin' ridiculous. I'm going to lose my mind, bro. I can't stand this portion of the game. I legitimately can't stand this. This is the stupidest thing I've ever played. I hit him. What does he decide to do? Sometimes he goes away. Sometimes he curls back and you can't do anything. 1 life remaining? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. And the game is like, yeah, you get no time to respond to anything. I can't stand this, bro. Come on. Maybe I just need to quit being maybe I need to quit being a little guy and just move, man. Maybe I'm just staying around too much. This is ridiculous. And of course I get to that spot right there where I just have nowhere to go. What? Oh my gosh. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. They seriously expect me to make this jump? Are you kidding me? What even is this, man? Alright. I hate everything about this gosh darn game. What the frick is that, man? What is that generation? I can't do that! I hate everything about this game. This game is ridiculous, bro. I can't buy another disc. I already bought one up top. Oh my goodness, man. 0, oh my gosh. All risk, 0 reward, man. What is this, bro? I'm sweating my butt cheeks off. It's hard as frick in my office, man.
Please come to Delta 45's research chamber in Sector 13.
I can't believe this, man. I can't believe this.
Probably should have made it back up in the car. Alrighty guys, after that fail yesterday, I about had enough. I did a little climbing off camera, and you could say I have a 1 in a million loadout. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Alright. Not 5 lives remaining. I have more than enough resources to do this. Let's see what I got loaded up. I got ligament restructure, increases my jump height by 30. Long jump after jumping or crouching. Now, I've seen this add-on before, probably about 5 times, and I skipped it. And I never got it. But look at this, bro. You can't tell me that is not generational. That's going to help me so much, and even my normal jump is so nice, so I'll be able to make distances and stuff. And even with that, okay, yeah, this is what it is. Bro. You guys remember that spear I picked up? You have one of 2 artifacts to choose from. The artifact room is behind this door. I don't have an artifact. I cannot catch a break with this playthrough, bro. Alright, now, I don't know what the game... I don't know if the game is gonna end up just giving me one for the fun of it, or if I'm just gonna do this artifact list. I did some research, and the spear I had was pretty okay. The one you really, really want, there's this glove you can get, which gives you, like, low gravity for 30 seconds. And bro, the Abyss is just... you can do you can pass it, and a baby can frickin' pass it with that element. Are you serious, bro? There's no way that's closed off. Bro, that is absurd, bro. The funniest part is when I saved the game, this was wide open. Alright, well... 5 tries, that may not be enough today. Well, let's see. Gosh, I'm actually kind of mad about that, bro. Gosh, man. All right, let's just do it. Let's just try it. Let's see if I can do it with my long jump and my jump. I'm unintentionally doing a challenge here. That's okay. Let's do it. Gosh, bro, that is stupid, bro. Are you kidding me? All right, I'm a skilled enough player. I'm a skilled enough player. Let's do it. All right. No talking because I really have to focus here.
Level existential.
I think that rabbit jump is literally gonna save this whole thing for me. Now, you can also just dodge that guy. If you just get out of his way, you don't necessarily need to distract him. You just need to get out of his way. And then he'll stop chasing you. Bro, this rabbit jump is, like, actually, like, kind of OP. I'm making distances I didn't even think I'd be able to make. This is, like, ridiculous. Okay, yeah, I was hoping I was gonna get some ammo. I'm getting a lot of distance very fast. I may clear this easier than I think, bro. Holy crap, Max, please don't fall. Thank you. Also, I have something called Moon Rocks, which is 10%. What is it? It's I'm using 90% of the game's gravity basically. It's not 100% gravity pulling down on me. All right, come on, bro. That dude hasn't even chased me once yet. I'm making crazy distance on him. Bro, why am I shaking, bro? I'm like, I got like the best loadout for this with minus the artifact, which if I had that glove, I'd have just ended the video already. Y'all wouldn't even need the outro, bro. That's what we're supposed to make it to, the core. The core. Alright, man. Here we go. Can y'all see that I'm shaking in my gameplay right now, bro? I'm so nervous.
I'm spamming the jump bar. I'm not, yeah. He didn't even attack me once, man. Let's freaking go, man. Yes! Yes! Alright, holy crap. Holy crap. Whew, okay, that was a little bit, that was just a little bit like, that wasn't too crazy. I thought it was gonna be nuts. You escaped for now. Coming soon, the nest. Oh boy, that's just gonna be the greatest thing ever. Hey, that's the end. That was a little bit anticlimactic. Holy moly. Endless Abyss never doing that, bro. Wow. Gosh, after all those fails, I feel so nice. Just needed one little 10-minute recording, a little rabbit jump, man. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, well, that'll conclude my playthrough of White Knuckle for now. I know it says they got, what does it say they have coming soon? The Nest? You guys know I'm coming back for that and we're gonna destroy it. But if you guys did enjoy that playthrough of White Knuckle, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I will see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. What's up, everybody? Alright, y'all, we got something mildly spicy on the menu, okay? Hey guys, it's been a minute since I played a FNAF game, but not that long. Now, luckily today, I'm hungry for something mildly spicy, so let's load this sucker up. Warning, this game contains multiple seasons of anime. What? Hello, everybody, my name is 3FS, welcome to Melodies. Yo! What is he doing, bro? Now, on this channel, I've been trying to stray away from a little bit more FNAF as you know, nothing's wrong with FNAF, it's just like... Bro, I gotta turn this off, bro. I've been trying to get more non-horror games going. You guys seem to like the tree game. I've been trying to get more non-FNAF stuff. You guys been liking that. But I originally wasn't gonna play this game right here. Until I saw on Instagram, somebody had sent me this game. And I was checking it out. I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. Until I look in the comments, bro. This dude says, I can't wait for 3FS to play. There's like 80 people like it. It's the first comment I see, man. No, I'm a man for the fans, so I have to load it up today. Hello, everybody. My name is 3FS, welcome to Melodies. Let's not waste any more time. Let's load the sucker up. You guys know me, man. I'm a true gamer, you guys. Let's go nightmare mode.
The engineer told me this tank
Scare the crap
should be
out of me, bro.
somewhere inside of these drawers.
What? He said something about check the doors? The drawers? Searching. Hey! Hey! The Dead by Daylight, bro. This is a skill check. I'm familiar. It will randomly pop up while searching the drawers. Press space. I did! To stop the dial. Time it correctly to avoid making sound. You got supreme difficulty, then you got average range, okay? I only hit white. I only hit white. If the dial lands in the outside area, you make a lot of noise. If the dial lands inside the area, the noise will be noticeable. If the dial lands on the little white area, the noise will be completely removed. What did I say? Let's test. Understood. Check these store. What was that? Alright, so press space to read a whole book. What the frick is this, man? Okay, I'm gonna summarize this for you guys. This is something I'll write in high school and try and pass it off as like a full page of writing.
Hello guys, Siri here. Max is actually not retaining any of the information he's reading, as you will see here in a moment.
Hey, I'll say this once and I'll say it again, bro. The games will be like, all right, here's 5 mechanics for you to memorize instantly. Bro, tickle me then kick me, bro. Just put me in a box and shit me. This is ridiculous, bro. I can't do this, bro. For what I'm understanding, don't breathe, don't look at him. That's what they're saying. I feel intellectually dishonest if I press this button without understanding these mechanics. Okay, I think I get like 50% of it, but that's as good as it's gonna get until I test it, so let's go. Holy crap, dude.
Be honest, did you guys freaking see him?
We just want the suffering to end.
Why did they make his voice so gosh darn loud? It's got my eyeball to thinking about. Spit that out, bro. Can't taste that good. All right, let's try it again. So here's what I'm gonna do this time. I don't know. All right, check this out. Check this out. Ready? White skill check. Ooh. Who's calling his name, bro? Who's calling his name? Okay, it saves her. Everybody shut the frick up. If you're talking right now, if you're talking to a friend, if God forbid if you're watching in class, shush. All right. Certainly he doesn't have that much patience. Dude, I just can't see anything when I do that. Yo, oh my gosh, bro. Okay, hold on. This game is freaking ridiculous, bro. I wasn't paying attention that one time. That's why the skill check. Watch. See? Ding. Now, out of everything else I memorized in there, did it say that Bonnie was gonna occasionally look at me? If I hit white skill checks every time, am I not just gonna? He's gotta be checking up on me throughout the whole thing, right? Ding. Dude, I'm a freaking genius, bro. Check it out. Ready? 3 for 3. Ding. Somebody's still calling his gosh darn name, bro.
Bonnie, over here. Over here. Hey, Bonnie, look.
You're gonna have to make this a little harder, bro. See what I find.
Ding.
All right, come on. Let's go.
Ding.
Empty. This is the most useless game I've ever played, everybody. Middle drawer. Easy, bro. Easy, bro. Shot tap, bruv. This game thing. Okay, hold on. Now, I do that little bit where I'm like, oh, yeah, let's play the... I do that little bit where I'm like, let's do the hardest difficulty. I may actually need to choose a more difficult difficulty. Okay, I'm gonna wait till my ear's like, gosh darn, gone. Not opening my eyes, bro. My thumb slip, I press space. I'm gonna start with the middle one this time. Bro, I noticed I start sweating like a leprechaun, bro. Whenever I play these FNAF games, I start sweating like a leprechaun.
Bonnie, over here.
He didn't hear that. Partially blind, but can hear very well. Let me introduce a play that maybe the game doesn't know I know. Ready? Everybody's got something in their pockets. Me personally, I'm grabbing my wallet. Pretend this little pen is a wallet. Ready? He wouldn't notice a gosh... He wouldn't notice a gosh darn thing, bro. He would hear that noise bolt over there, I'd just like open the drawer real quick and fast. This is stupid, bro. I could have sworn the instructions that said if you do your quick breath, if you're not looking at him, it'll work. I probably just misread the whole freaking thing, though. I'm not the brightest light bulb in the bathroom, man. Ding. White every time, baby. Ooh, they're getting a little bit fast. Hold on. Trying to trick me. Check. Resume. It kills me, bro. FNAF games just be doing anything. Check 3 drawers. FNAF game. FNAF game, but you gotta check drawers. FNAF game, but you're looking for something. What is in here? Gosh darn it, man. Right. Dude, I'm thinking nuts, bro. Let's keep it going. I said only white. I meant it, bro. Ding. Throw a little chop doy in there.
Chop doy?
Ooh, on time 2. Okay. Balling. Hello, everybody. What if I made a video tomorrow, but instead of me as Markiplier, would y'all still watch me? Probably. All day. Ding. Okay. What do I do once my air starts to go out and I need to do the thing and I need to breathe and stuff? The short breath doesn't work at all. Oh, partially blind my freaking butt cheeks. You stare right at me. I hate this gosh darn game. I want to throw everything in the water. Yeah, Steak says look in his opposite direction, use a short breath. Does the game know left from right? Probably. What? I didn't even pick up on this first time. Bonnie will lose focus on you and get distracted. He'll be looking to your right. Somebody's calling his gosh darn name again, bro.
Bonnie, over here.
Okay, all right, let's go. It's been empty the last 2 times. This time's gonna be something in it, right? Come on, bro. Come on. Try again, little frickin' buddy. Or nothing about that young man is little. Oh no. Siri, increase locked-in percentage by 20%.
Okay, done.
Appreciate you.
I love you.
Throw an extra 5% in there. Throw an extra 5%.
Little chunky boy.
Bro. I can't stinking lose, bro. Wait, Siri, I'm too focused. I'm not commentating. Reduced by 20%. Okay. It's crazy, you guys. Gosh, this game is so cool. Bro saying commentary buzzwords. Come on. Wait. This is it. Can't be empty. Can't be. Wait. Unbelievable, Max. Your precision is inhuman. It'll like flash empty for negative seconds. Come on, this gotta be it. It's gotta be it. Oh, that's easy. Oh, that's easy. Bonnie, you immediately got distracted. You're such a little man. See him over there. So, no. Hold on. He's a little close to getting. He's moving stuff. Can't see me, bro. Can't see me, bro. It's like I'm so used to scrolling on websites. I'm just moving a little bit too much. It's a singular.
Now we can play all day.
Bonnie, shut the frick up, bro. We can play all day. Somebody punch this guy in the frickin' mouth. Somebody give this guy a swift kick to the neck. Okay, well, I was gonna say, it's a singular, and that's one little, what if that makes sense, bro? Hashtag stinking, man, what? Oh, right up. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Come on, bro. Shut up, bruv. This is freaking easy. Y'all are having a laugh, bro. Are my videos like y'all are having a laugh while I'm having a scare? Gosh darn it. This dude here is gosh darn anything, bro. I could have a deep guttural booty fart and this dude would just eat me alive. Come on. I'm like running out of air. Bonnie. So what about that, bro? Oh, so you want to throw bugs? My way?
Ooh, I can't hear you breathing anymore.
This dude was born on the gosh darn cob. Alright, I think I know what needs to happen. Oh. That's a little bit close there, ain't it? Oh, I'm having a laugh. Dude, I can feel like the sweat on my belly. Holy crap. It's hot as a fart in my room, dude. I would get a fan in here, but then I gotta prop my door open, like my whole house will like hear me screaming and crap. Come on, bro. Game mode doesn't fail, the big GM doesn't fail. Come on. What'd I get? Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out of me. Dude's got the thickest eyelashes ever. He's taking the mask. The fake mask. Run. Come on. That full stash, man. Come on. Oh my gosh, he's tweaking out. I'm gone, bro. You're dead. Move! He's moving slow! Go! Fooled. Oh, shoot. Bonnie get poisoned. This is not good at all. Bonnie. Now, why do I want to help him now? Take off that mask. Let's take you to the ER, bro. Just kidding. I'm gone. Look at the way his eyes are moving. He doesn't give a fart. W man, bro. Peace. I can't lie, that made me a little bit emotional. I don't know what happened to Bonnie at the end, but like I can't help that just like made me a little sad. Be honest, what would you guys do right there? Like you can't breathe and Bonnie's up there like this. All up in your freaking face, bro. Can't do anything. It's like me eating spicy wings. Light work, no reaction. I'll tell you that right now. Okay, wait. Let me take a gander at some nightmare. Let's see how the nightmare is moving. Come on. Can't be a challenge, man. Can't be that bad. Do you see this?
Can I see it?
Do you see it?
Take the whole freaking screen.
Okay, let's try it. Yo. Yo. I do this for a living. You must be confused. Booyah! Alrighty, homies, without conclude my shorter playthrough of Melodies. If you guys did enjoy that, it says episode 1, so I'm assuming there's an episode 2 coming. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. As well as comment y'all's favorite timestamp. I will be coming with some more White Knuckles soon. I presume next episode will be the last, but to be honest, that's what I thought about the previous episode, so you never know. But thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.